Microsoft still selling off to the downside here. Look at these two names, Google and Microsoft, straight down. Look at IWM off the 200 cycle level, straight down.
I took NQ short.
Microsoft's about to fill the gap to the downside.
10-point gain NQ. I covered half. $200 bill.
About 50 cents off. It just needs to break right down to 400 cycle level and just wick below. It'll fill that gap.
Alright, I think y'all can hear me now. I don't know if y'all were able to hear me. And SPX pushing down right now. JD.com pushing down. BA pushing down. Fuck. Everything dumping. I'm expecting just to consolidate around these lows. So I want to bounce right here off of this 509.10 fib. Come on. Let's find the bottom. Microsoft somehow, bro. Look at this dump on Microsoft. Yo, earnings? Kind of bad, question mark?
131, 34.
Could we have earnings smack bad?
If anyone took IWM off 200 rejection, scale puts here.
Nice, Casey.
Let's go.
I want 10-minute 200
Thank
EMA,
you.
833 on NQ, and I'll get all out.
I want to push
I'm
off
up 30
of
points right now,
these
$600.
lows
Let's go, baby.
to trace out these highs up here after pre-market high. But I want to bounce right here. Same thing for JD. I want to just use this consolidation as it's just a bounce to chase these pre-market highs. SPY. I want to get a bounce on the 1 hour. Or right here. I want to get a bounce right here. And I want to get a close above this on the 1 hour. Oh, shit!
I wouldn't trip too
Here we
much
go.
about
We're close.
ACB.
Here we
Here we go.
go.
We're at the level.
Let's go.
Hey.
Yep, look.
Dump
we
this
got a
shit.
bounce.
Look at Amazon.
Give me my money, bro.
That's crazy.
Here we go. Microsoft, 400
All right,
cycle.
Get it,
level,
boys.
Contracts up
That's
like
what I like to hear,
$800 per
motherfuckers.
contract.
Yeah, beautiful
Yeah.
Microsoft dump.
Let's go.
Oh, gap is filled on Microsoft. Contracts 50%.
Let's go,
Fuck
baby.
yes.
Go, Casey. It's a Monday morning, motherfucker. Starting it off
Move stops
hot.
up.
Just a reminder, Monday is usually the lowest point of the week. Fun
Fuck.
reminder.
Heard that.
Ah, fuck. Ah, fuck.
All right, scale Microsoft here. The gaps can act as support once they're filled. Essentially, the $399.50, $400 cycle level was full downside target for me here on Microsoft, so I'd be completely out of position.
Hey, be looking for a bounce here on SPY.
Google
Looking
still
for
going
a bounce
down.
here on
Just
SPY.
continue to move stops there. IWM,
I know
beautiful
that
200 cycle level rejection straight back down to the 21 EMA here on the 5-minute. All beautiful short opportunities this morning.
Facts. Yo, AMD down, bro.
God, Amazon. I thought Amazon was gonna freaking go to 185 first.
I did too. But I guess I just want to go down to retrace to these lows, to this VWAP. If you wanted to buy right now, it would be the perfect chance to buy.
Look at Apple, though. Look at Apple.
Pumping.
Completely unfazed.
Apple don't give a fuck.
Apple $6.
Not a
Up in
single
the day.
given to the downside on Apple.
The contracties are kind of expensive. But you don't want to chase. Do not chase. Do not chase. I'm expecting for it to want to reach to these lows over here. To 179. So 180, you could buy 180 calls right now. And potentially be in the money this whole week. No, JD. UAL, what y'all doing? Y'all are so gay. What the fuck is y'all doing? I'm so confused.
I just grabbed Starbucks $86 puts.
I might just sell it,
I'm
bro.
trying it here.
Cause what the fuck?
11 days out. Small size because I'm coming off a good week, so I'm just taking things slow. We're gonna try these though.
I'm out on JD.
$86 puts.
JD, call me. JD,
Google
call
new
me.
low still selling off here.
Apple kind of found its high. I want to come down, touch these lows, and then I want to see it bounce back up. So, push up, push down to break above these highs. Come on, JD, calm. JD, calm, JD, calm, JD, calm.
I am watching out for that possible higher low on Starbucks.
Starbucks does have earnings as well this week. Apple has earnings as well. Apple can just fucking run if it wants to. It's been hold down for a fat minute.
Nice Google Shorts,
Look
KC.
SPX getting a bounce.
Gosh, look at her.
I have a gap down here to fill though.
Yes, sir.
Beautiful.
Tesla getting a double bottom. I'm gonna look for calls on Tesla for that 200 range.
Still keep my eyes on Celsius. We'll see.
Nah, wait. We're getting rejected. We got bounce up. We got rejected off these highs. Nah, dude, I gotta protect. Cause what are the fucking chances we go down?
I wonder if this lower high on the 4-hour for Starbucks actually plays out here. We need to make a lower low. Still holding up on these EMAs, so I'm being aware of that. Either way, doesn't matter win or loss. I am pretty light sized and got some time, so.
Alright, I'm getting on my JD. Fuck, dude. It's only 13%. I mean, $13 down. It's not much. I mean, I can handle that $13. But it's just like, bro, what's the point of holding this? You know what I mean? It's looking like it's gonna break down either way. I don't know, though. But hey, paying a bounce. AMD has earnings this week. So keep an eye on earnings this week.
I'd like to see Celsius go to Friday's low.
SPX pushing back up. SPY pushing back up.
That'd be nice. Maybe get some longs there. Just depends. It could definitely come down a bit more looking at the daily.
This green spot is my retracement. My daily retracement. Oh, we got to bounce. We got to bounce. We got to bounce. We got to bounce on the 15-minute. On my orb. That, just like this. JD, let's get a bounce. Let's go chase those highs. What are you doing? Same thing for AUL. BA already pushing up. I'm thinking I'm buying Nah, I'm be patient, patient,
Mm,
doggy,
NQ
patient
short
doggy.
here.
Or
I wanna go fill this liquidity
Yeah,
right here
Maple,
in
I'm watching
Tesla
that too right
to
about
push
here.
right back up.
Could be a good one.
But buyers can hold that up if they want to.
Yeah, I like it. I just, yes, there's a big lower wick, but I feel like they could trickle it back down, maybe down to 40 area. Get those kind of, see, look, we're already up a few points, but I want a little bit more than that. I'll take
I have not
off
bought
at
anything,
10.
by the way.
I'm seeing a lot of bearish flow on Tesla.
All right, there you go. I was just making sure that I fixed it.
But I want a little bit more than that. I'll take
I have not
off
bought
at
anything,
10.
by the way.
Ooh, there we go.
12-point gain. I'm going to cover half.
Oh wow, I'm all out.
Shit.
Dude, look at
Yeah,
this money, bro.
I'm gonna test that 45 here in a second.
No. Alright, I'm scudding out. I sold one call in UAL. I'm holding my runner.
I got in really
My
quickly
60s.
there. Got 6 points. Thanks,
And
mate.
then JD come if we get a rejection here down, I'm gonna be selling my calls. BA is just continuing to push up. That's one of my strongholds.
Watch Microsoft, see if this continuation downside continues. If it flips the 400, the 401 area into resistance, get the next move down to 398.
I'm expecting to see 165 for the
20-point
30.
gain NQ. I'm all out. $400 bill. Passing them out this morning.
Another one. Insane.
Great short, Maple.
BA pushing up.
Oh, what a messy short. Great trade.
Damn. What the fuck is wrong with the market right now? Does Apple care? A little bit. Little bit. JD, calm. Fuck you,
Pop
you
it up.
fucker. Fuck you. Piece of shit. Should've just hold. Oh, shit. Thank God I sold this. BA pushing up strong. Let's get it. Let's go. I'm in BA right now. That's the only thing I'm in right now. And some UAL long calls. Oh, JD as well. I have not sold my JD call. I just saw it. I was like, oh shit, I thought I sold it.
Oh, they're dropping her. New lows coming. I'm looking for a put credit spread soon, but I'm waiting for more continuation
Okay,
first.
so since we broke into this yesterday's orb, I want to see it bounce off of these lows. Which would be down here
SPY
at
still needs to go
this.
red, I think, at this point.
508.16. We broke into these highs. Sell side stepped in with this rejection right here. Sell side. We're going to push down lower to these lows. So you can play 508 puts if you want. But that's a quick short.
Under 830
I'm
is
going
new
to look
lows
for
on
support.
NQ.
We could get some support right here at the double bottom. With the VWAP right here as well. To chase these highs with the gap fill
I
up
think you
here.
can hold this on NQ, to be honest.
But as well, you never
So
know.
far, we
Because we
haven't
got a
pushed
sell
through
candle
yet,
right here.
so
We got some, sellers down here waiting. By the way, I bought some lucid shares. I'm expecting for Lucid to get a good bounce. Oh whoa, oh shit.
Microsoft new lows.
I just saw this. I was like, damn.
Google rejecting. Still at low of day.
Option trade there. Maybe some longs. And trade Microsoft.
Wow. Let's look for a bounce here on Amazon. Oh fuck! I gotta readjust everything. Shit's so whack. Oh, everything has to load now. I can't see shit. We could potentially just zigzag here to come down and fill this little gap right here to this 5-minute VWAP and then to push back up. Amazon 195. Not worth. SPX getting a bounce. I believe this is gonna push higher. We already broke into this fib. We went to go push down to these lows to this liquidity.
Starbucks.
So AMD
Headed for
calls
that
could be
pre-market
looking
low.
good.
Let's see if it tries to make a higher low or can flush through it here.
Amazon bounce. Amazon bounce. JD.com just chilling at the 5-minute VWAP with a point of control down here. You could be buying calls essentially right up here to the high. I'm not lying. I don't know, I went over that yesterday with one of my students. Type shit. Fuck you, man.
Okay,
Fuck
that's a
you,
nice
Google.
move though.
Amazon.
Nvidia
It's
just got a
still held
really
it,
good
yeah.
pop.
I'd watch this for long.
I'm grabbing some Celsius $75
Look
calls
at
for May
Nvidia.
10th here.
And double bottom
So
there.
expensive.
Now it's at VWAP and 866.
AMD, Meta, Google, Amazon, Spy. Yeah. I'm
PLTR looks good.
long here on Q.
Heard that.
I don't know if I should go long on AMD.
Oh, PLTR has earnings
I mean
next week?
Amazon.
Yes. Yes, Casey.
Ooh.
Yes.
Spy getting a bounce. Hey, these
NQ should come up to
Microsoft
65
these
here.
Microsoft calls can fucking probably print MSFT. On this bounce right here. Back to this higher warp 420.
Dump at Starbucks. Let's go, baby. Come on.
420 is gonna go back into the money. They're $30 right now.
Not a huge gain. Cons definitely move slow. But I'm not worried about it.
But we're chilling right now. It's Monday.
Small
Nothing
gains.
to
I'll
rush.
take a little small gains so far. Hold $10 a contract.
Nothing to
We don't
rush,
have any
chat.
data
Nothing
today.
to rush. BA.
No.
It's paying off. Thank you.
Celsius. Nice little pop.
See how Tesla's
That's
doing?
going to be making
Tesla.
us more money if
Like
we
I
get the move
said,
on
I want
this
Tesla
for
to slowly
sure.
glide
Drop.
down and fill this liquidity down here.
I got some calls there.
I'm expecting to get rejected off of this.
I need to
push
reclaim
down
this
and reclaim these
74
lows.
bucks
To
Celsius.
reclaim these lows. To push that back up.
Starbucks just lost pre-market low. Nice little flush through
We'll
there.
see. AMD pushing back up. I think I'm gonna hold on AMD.
Nice long.
I took good long on AMD.
Nothing crazy on
On
Starbucks. Only
164s.
up like 12 a
Try
con. I
them.
got 20 cons.
They're kind of
I'm
expensive.
gonna trim some here. Trim an NQ long for 13 points.
Nice.
Trimmed half, holding half.
Amazon looking like a good fucking bounce. JD Calm, being a bitch that it is.
We're at that 65 level. That was the big spot.
You're so fucking
The
annoying.
biggest spot.
But I have time on the contract, so it's whatever.
Oh, there we go. Goodbye. Bye-bye. See you later.
Great trade.
I'll see you guys later. It's gone. Okay. Here comes a put credit spread.
We're heading VWAP on ES.
I think I might just get a JD com and not worry about it.
On MQ.
Dude, Lucid's down. Lucid is down. What the fuck is this? We're going back down to our new lower lows. Low. Unbelievable. Can you believe it? Alright. Let's look into some spy calls. I'm liking this bounce.
Celsius is at $25 a contract here. Not trimming yet, personally. Not enough to trim at all.
Buying a 10. Wait.
Starbucks back to break even, getting a little bit of a fake out break out of that pre-market low, or fake out breakdown. See if it can reject and keep it going.
1 hour rejected.
PayPal looks like a bull flag breakout on the daily.
Celsius is actually doing decent. Let's see if it can blow back through this pre-market low, reclaim. Really need to see back over Friday's high before I trim into that 74. That would be a nice spot. I'll be able to actually trim for some decent gains.
BA continuing to push.
VWAP
I should be getting into more BA. Fuck everything
Starbucks still
else.
rejecting
Get in
that
BA,
9.
bro. 180 coming. I'm getting a 175 as well. Cheap as fuck.
Ooh, PayPal on the daily and weekly time frame look really good.
Okay, I'm gonna QQQ put credit spread.
Skull,
Sold the
baby.
427 puts, bought the 425 puts.
Skull, baby. It's Monday, baby.
I think
boy.
that might be our bottom for the day, though.
It's Monday, baby boy.
Let's go, baby. Let's push up to these highs.
Wake up and no
To this 177. Let's go, baby.
The low of the day was 431 too, so I don't think.
Let's go, baby. Let's go, BA.
We woke up to eat pain for breakfast, baby. Come on.
We got to balance off of this buy side right here. Look at this candle right here. So what I want to see now here, okay?
I'm convinced I'm just.
I want to
like a
push
machine
above
at
this
point,
with a
bro.
candle hourly
Fucking, I'm off,
close
like,
above
2-3 hours of
this
sleep.
previous high.
Well, Casey knows about the machine.
Dude,
Oh, no, I don't have to be up
you're
here.
just a fucking machine out here.
I think we're going
Right,
high.
Casey?
The machine.
How was it?
Hey, spy calls
Dude,
might
it was so fucking awesome.
The machine.
inverse
Oh,
head
it
and
was so
shoulders.
good. The machine. One of his opening
That's your
acts
double
was
bottom
one
right
of
here.
these,
That's your break of
younger
structure. It's
kids
back
that I've
into
seen on
liquidity
TikTok
now. It's going to break
before, and I watched one of his videos go viral.
above.
I forgot what the name of the event was, but
The
it's
MMS
just a
is
bunch
so
of
dry.
comedians just going up on the stage just trying out. But then like there's a panel over there, and like there's Joe Rogan, there's Tom Segura,
Oh, I know what you're
and
talking
they kind of
about.
just let them. Yeah, so it's the
I'm seeing
younger
12.
man. His name's Cam. He's a younger black kid, and he made the joke saying, I'm not retarded, but I like rocks."
Yeah.
And he does like a whole skit and joke on that. He was Bert Kreischer's his opening act for the show.
I have an order in on
no,
Celsius
Bert.
to trim at 485 here. I might have gotten filled. Come on, fill me.
Not the funniest thing about
Bro,
Bert Kreischer's show though was before it started.
Fuck that.
All they did was use the jumbotron and the camera crew to find fat older white guys in the crowd.
I took a little loss.
And try to get them to take their shirt off like he does
BA?
and do like a bunch of stupid shit. So for like the first 15 minutes, all they kept doing was finding fat white guys in the crowd, and we would cheer them, and they would take their shirts off. They were pouring beer down their bellies and like rubbing their tits and their belly and like pumping and dancing.
Oh
like,
my god,
it was so much fun. Oh, it was a blast.
Celsius trying to reclaim some. I mean, Starbucks trying to reclaim some levels.
Casey, did they put the camera on you?
Fuck no. They didn't want to see none of this on the jumbotron.
Can I get filled? Come on, motherfuckers.
What, on Celsius?
Yeah, I'm about to take a trim for
we're up
like
$1.90
contract gain here.
On BA.
Trim it down to 10.
Ooh,
and
looking good, looking real good actually, real healthy.
And be chilling to start this fine Monday morning.
Fine Monday morning.
Come on, baby.
Fine Monday morning.
There's no way I'm not.
I think.
Chat. How y'all doing today, bro?
PayPal's
How'd y'all
gonna
wake
be a
up
good
today?
swing.
Good? Y'all chilling? Vibing? Relaxing? Having a good time? Relaxing. Good morning, though. Good morning. Hope y'all are having a good day. Right now, I'm not in anything. By the way, for if anybody watching, good morning. I am in some longs on UNL.
Beautiful trade on Celsius.
Starbucks needs to lose
UAL
that
on some
$88
longs.
psych level on Starbucks. If that gives up, then
Just
it's
chilling
really
right now.
gonna
Just
take a
relaxing
Yeah, I'm
right
still
now.
short, but I'm only short 20
Positions
cons, which
are
is like
green. A couple of them on
relative
long
for
are
Starbucks
green.
is not that much, even though 20 cons might
Tesla.
sound like a lot.
This is my SPY. 5 minute.
Yeah, they move really
looking,
slow, so I'm down 1% here.
Yeah, like I said, we
50
went to go
bucks.
fill that. Look, we went to go fill that gap I wanted to,
All
and
right,
Apple
we came
bull
back
Celsius.
flagging
down.
here on the 5
Find
minute.
its liquidity. Find its support. I want to gradually, slowly break above it,
Google
though.
needs to bounce right here at 168 to form a cup and handle and
I'm
a
trimming
higher low.
Celsius.
I believe we're
All right,
pushing up
Celsius
higher.
has been trimmed.
We're pulling EMAs now. We're
Dude, I'm
holding
playing light,
EMAs.
but that's still like a fucking almost $1,000 gain already. Shit, I'll take it.
Let's go.
I just caught a good move. Take it, no problem. That's $55 contract gain that I is that wait, let me do my math correctly. Fuck. God damn it.
We could be looking at some calls right now on SPY, guys.
Yes, $55 contract gain. First trim. Starbucks
SPY.
can
Good pop on Q.
do whatever it wants.
calls.
Not gonna
Good pop.
concern me. 14%
Double
here. We're now
bottom.
at
Break a structure right here. Went
is
down.
this?
Went back down. Yep, there's your liquidity sweep.
For the Swifties.
I'm entering.
Confetti.
I got a 0 to ADT 510.
Oh,
Going right now.
Celsius. Dirty dog. You know what? Honestly, just fuck Starbucks. I'm getting out of it for an $80
that's a good
loss.
pop.
Let's get it. Let's go, baby.
All right, I
Let's
sold
get it. Let's go.
Starbucks. I could care about that because I need to focus on Celsius now.
Let's go chase these highs, and then I want to go see a
yeah, let her
512.
fucking cook, bud. Let her cook.
Ooh.
My
Yeah,
stop
let
is
her
gonna be down
fucking
here.
cook.
She's still popping.
There's that liquidity sweep. There's a buyer stepping in
I
with
still
a
haven't
higher
traded
high.
Celsius options yet.
Break structure. Beautiful. Just everything what we needed. We got the liquidity right here sitting up here. Look at this candle
It's
right here
playing
just
lighter
sitting
than
there.
normal, but we're still
One
this
second,
fuck
let me
good
get my
Monday.
money.
Shit.
Look at that liquidity just sitting there.
I'm gonna trim 5 more off at 20% here.
Oh shit!
And
make sure you have your stop loss,
that's $100
guys.
contract gain right here.
If you cannot hold this for your stop loss,
where I got filled,
or like
so.
hold it, just have your stop loss engaged. But we good
Holding
right now.
5 contracts on CELH.
I'm good right now. Let's bounce off of this high right here now. Let's go.
Good bounce there on Google off the 168. So now if this candle closes above VWAP and the 9 EMA on the 5 minute, which is going to be around 168.40.
Nice BA push back up to the size orb.
Higher low. So
let's get it. Let's go, boys. BA printing.
Upside. If it rejects, then
I believe we're still gonna reject,
Celsius
and we're
a dirty
going
dog.
to go
over $100
see.
contract gain here. We got 5 left. Let them ride.
Is it still popping?
Lower,
yeah.
165, 160, 166,
fucking
165.
let her go. Damn, I thought it was about to be like a really light start to the week for me, but we're starting it off over $1,000 in the banky bank, so I'll take it, baby. Good morning. Starbucks can do whatever it wants. I'm out of it now. I really don't care about it. Cons move really slow anyway.
Okay, this is 1 minute. It's looking kind of frisky, risky here.
If I wanted to actually
it might come down all the way back down here to its support. Right here at this 509.75 area.
Oh, Google, whoopsie doops. What are you going to do? You're sitting right on it.
What are you going to do, buddy?
You got 30 seconds.
What are you going to do, buddy? That's my support line right here. We the wig didn't even touch it.
All right, let's see if these 5 cons could get really cooking.
We got liquidity sitting up here. 3 minute. Big ass liquidity sitting here too.
We're trying to reclaim this 0.5 fib on the daily.
We have a
gap right
here. We have these lows retrace.
December lows.
I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat. I don't know, chat.
I wonder if this is a dip buy opportunity on Amazon to get calls to swing before
EMAs just crossed, bounced off of each other.
I'd like to get a pop to that 21 EMA on the daily, which is basically 75.
I want to get a double bottom here. Push up.
It'd be beautiful if we can make a new high today.
Amazon getting a double bottom. BA pushing up. Getting off of the rejected off of these EMA orbs.
All right, Google
On
closed
Tesla. Oh,
underneath
nice.
VWAP
Let's go.
from
All
the
right,
9
let's go,
EMA,
boys.
so
We're
no
green.
confirmation
We're
there. Still watch for
green.
the cup and handle.
Let's go, boys. We're riding this shit out.
And if
You
it
can see
holds
kind of
the
like an
higher
upside
low,
down head and
it
shoulders
can
as well.
reclaim the 9 EMA
This is
and VWAP on the 5.
beautiful.
Once
As
it does
well,
that,
on
That's
the
an
1
empty
hour,
long
confirmation, I think it can go
on the 1
upside.
hour, we're broken to these low structures. So I'm
Ooh,
expecting
I
to
like
go
it.
see at least 512.64 today.
Just a little scalp here.
Nice, boys. Let's hold. All right, so let's talk about what we want to see now coming up. So let's go push up. If we just like slightly consolidate throughout this, but we see candle to candle keep pushing up higher to high, but you know what I mean, showing buyers stepping in. I want to see a clear break over this. Push right back down. Find support. Buyers step in right here to push this back up to its highs. But you never know. We're already up today 35%. It's a Monday. You never know. It's fucking Monday. But let's just wait. Be patient. Our high orb is up here. Our 15-minute lows, our orbs are down here. Oh, whoa, woski. Hold up, chat. Our orbs are down. Our orbies are down. Got it. We're under the orb. We're under of the point of control. This is gonna push back up to its highs of orb. Let's get it. Let's go, boys.
Go, baby.
Let's get it. Let's go.
Almost bottom ticked there. I was like 20 cents off.
Let's get it, boys. Can we get a W in
Let's get a
chat?
new high today. I want to see that.
Can we get a W in chat?
75.75, or at least 75.50. Get moving up there. I'll be trimming for sure. Only got 5 left, but
that's what I want to see.
I think we're still at over $100.
We shall set and forget.
So,
we shall set and forget.
Slightly under.
We shall set and forget.
Yeah, that
Amazon pushing right back up to its highs. BA ripping.
Yeah.
Give me this money. Give me this bread. God damn. Let's get it. Let's go, boys. Remember to take your TPs, guys. Take your TPs. W in chat. Oh, we got 2 people watching. Ah, W in chat, boys. W in chat. We're at some spot calls right now. W. Let's fucking go. We are up 8% on our.
Why does my Weeble say I have an open position? I should not.
Position.
I don't.
Spy. I mean,
Wait,
Tesla getting
that?
a bounce. We can possibly see
Jesus.
Tesla push to 200. That's what I low-key want to see this week. But the 200s, how expensive? Oh, that 200. The test. Fuck. 210. I'm thinking we're gonna go reach 210, 205. I think I'm gonna buy 205 call.
Is that a new high?
I'm buying a 205 call.
New high a day.
On Tesla for this week.
Let's see if it can break that 75.
Orbs.
That's really the
I'm
new high
expecting
we're
to
looking
see a
for.
205.
$105 contract gain here.
Be patient. Let's just be patient.
Ooh, Microsoft looks like an inverse head and shoulders on the 1 minute.
24% on these
Google pushing back down.
Look at that shtick on Celsius. Volume too.
Dig it. Jordy's done. Monday's done.
Yeah,
Baby
just
boy's
waiting for
done.
some video to break out.
I think I am gonna buy 205s.
I'm also.
I'm buying a 205 call on Tesla.
On ES, each high candle is getting sold off. Once we start breaking that low,
Scary money don't make money, baby.
They sell off on
Make
ES.
sure you take your profits, guys. I'm a long position it. Dude, last night we got up 10%. I just, like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, Celsius.
What I want.
130 a con here.
Just hold this. Just hold this, actually. Just hold this.
Go, baby.
Damn.
I want over the 75 though. Let's see if I can wait to trim over this 75. It has a lot of momentum right now. Some good rising volume up to these highs.
Nice, Spy.
But
Spy looking delicious.
probably smart here to trim a few more off. I only have 5 left though. So I think I'm just gonna ride these for now.
I think I'm gonna
If
be
we see
selling
some
my
crazy
UEL.
rejection, it's all right. I'll get
10-point
the
gain
bucks
in
back.
Q, sold half, $200
Beautiful.
bill.
Let's go,
Nice,
motherfucker.
Evan.
Let's go, baby.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Maple trying to get out to the course early today, my man.
Yeah, bro. I got a busy week.
I know after playing 18 on Saturday, I was like, I showed up yesterday at the golf course, and I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna go to the range. I'm cooked from 18. It's definitely a long day when you do that. That was a good time. Fucking so happy with myself too. Played decent.
Make your put up.
Still lost a good amount of balls,
How
but you know,
high
we
is
found a bunch too,
Tesla?
so give and
Tesla's
a
up
take there. You know.
11%. That's kind of overextended and
Dude, I go
overreach,
hunting, bro. I'll
Bro,
come back
that's
with
I
a
my
pull
yeah.
probably
back.
Me
did
too.
buy
Like,
calls
I go
especially if I'm
hunting.
waiting behind
early,
someone.
waited for a
You
pullback all the way
know,
down here for
that's like fun.
178.
I know,
For
because
me.
you're always waiting like 5-10 minutes a lot of times, especially when it's busy. So
We'll
I
wait,
just
we'll
go
wait, we'll
hunting
wait.
for
We'll be
balls, bro.
patient.
Yeah, a little Easter egg hunting. You
Yeah,
know?
I'm just down $5
especially
on
because
those
I do
contracts.
like
Not
to play
much.
the colored balls too. Just because, you know,
Oh,
Let's
I'm
yeah.
go,
newer, it's
chat. Who's
easier to
riding
see
this
my
with
ball for sure
me?
if I have the pink
Who's
ball
riding
or
this
the
with
green ball,
me?
whatever.
Oh, for sure, bro. Yeah, I get the what are they? The nitro whiteouts. They're like lime green or whatever.
Yeah,
Or no,
those are
they're
sick.
yellow. They're yellow. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
This
I want
Tesla,
the
bro.
white one with the neon strip around it. I forget what they're called. They're like a certain company
what are
that
they?
does
The
them.
tailor
Come on,
made.
Telly.
Yeah, they're tailor-mades. Yeah,
The
that's what they are.
I know what you're talking about though.
I forget what they are. I want those though.
I think Tour Response or something like that. No, I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
Something like that.
Yeah.
Let's get it. Let's go, baby. Come on. Start pushing. Tesla pushing. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Give me that 205 today, baby. Give me that 205, baby. Give me that 205. It's just 10% from here. How are we not going to go up 10% higher this week? You know what I mean?
Probably should have held my Starbucks short, but it's moving too slow. I don't really care about it. I just be break even right
Make
here.
sure
and
y'all
doing
take
nothing
y'all's
with it, so.
TPs.
Starbucks can do its own thing. I'm more concerned with
It's going to
Celsius.
consolidate through
It's
here
actually
until it
making me
breaks
some
over
good
these
money,
highs.
so.
And it bounce up,
What else
bounce
do we
down,
have on the
bounce
board
back
though
up.
today? That's doing decent. AMD bounced. Trying to hold. There's a lot of possibility for lower highs from what I'm seeing. SPY right here. Although
But
SPY
honestly,
reclaiming pre-market high. Yesterday's high. Holding my
the
0.5
chance of that
fib. It's
happening,
hard
what
to
do y'all
be
think,
short here.
chat? High or
Even
low?
with this possibility of the lower high, but could be a spot.
Do not be fooled.
Ooh. Celsius is
Ooh,
crossing
that's a
75. Let's
dirty
go.
candle. Oh, that's
Get
a
up
dirty
there,
candle.
baby. New high a day.
Oh, that's a dirty candle.
Yeah. Yeah.
Should find a support right here.
I need a trim. I'm going to trim 2 and hold 3 right here, right now.
Tesla, don't do this to
Boom.
me.
30%.
Jordan, your log?
Yeah, I got filled for like,
Telly, don't do
what
this
is
to me,
this?
Telly.
135 a con or so.
Telly, don't do this to me, Telly.
Nice.
Telly. Oh, whoa, woski. Broski, all I do is yoski.
I have not touched SPY in fucking like a month, bro.
It's because it's so fucking volatile. She. Oh, yeah, there we go. Telly pushing up.
Google just back
SPY
tested
pushing up.
168.40.
SPY Telly
Due up on
pushing
the
up.
5 and rejected.
SPY Telly pushing
So
up.
far lower
SPY Telly
highs,
pushing up.
but
SPY
also the
Telly.
higher low.
SPY
So it's
Telly.
still just pinned
SPY.
to figure out which way it wants to
Telly.
get this continuation.
Push.
Go Celsius. Dirty
Apple
fucking
got
dog.
smacked.
Push.
Apple's getting smacked hard. Double top.
Oh no, ski. We don't want to see double top.
1.76. Amazon. I fucking
Oh
knew
my
that.
God,
I even
Amazon.
said, is this a
Big
dip
dick
right here at
candle up.
180? And then boom.
$150
Look at that
contract
candle.
gain.
BA pushing up higher. Let's go.
Hey, there you go, Jordan.
BA.
Let's go, baby.
Contracts. $3 up. $3 up. $3 up.
3 left.
That's crazy. I want to go see this 177 so bad. I have a couple calls.
Somebody say
Telly, come on,
hey.
Telly. Spy. Come on, Spy.
Dirty dog.
Dirty dogsty, baby. Let's get this money
All right,
and
we're
let's
coming
go.
up to that 75-80
God
area,
did,
which
baby.
is the 21
God
EMA on the
motherfucking did,
daily.
man.
Expect
Look
some
this
rejection.
inverse
Well,
head and
come
shoulders.
left.
As much fun
So
as we're having
sexy.
here.
And we broke above this
do it. You
gap.
wanna give me-
75.80 on Celsius?
Yeah.
There we go.
Aww.
Starting to see
Fuck, you want to give
my
me...
God. No
Oh my
way.
God, give me $200 a contract. Sure, I fucking will happily take it. Absolutely.
Oh,
Yeah,
yeah,
sure.
I'm out. I'm out of my
I don't
longs.
mind.
Weeble has the 21
It's not worth
EMA
even
on the
holding
daily
these no
at
more.
75.90.
Oh, shit.
UAL.
Well, I just trimmed 2 more because why the fuck not? And I'm holding
Let
one
me
out.
little
check
I'm out
mini
on
TradingView
UAL.
runner.
though.
I'm out. I'm not gonna waste my bread on it no more.
TradingView also 21
Let's
EMA on the daily for
go!
Celsius
I'm
Jordan
not
at
holding bad. I'm not holding
75.91.
bad contracts. I'm
Heard
gonna just
that.
let that breathe.
So it's
Let's
approaching it
go,
like
baby.
It's a few cents off.
And
of
dude,
Alright, so I was
I'm
smart
expecting
What a
Tesla
trading
to
that.
fucking ripper!
fucking rip.
Ripper, baby.
Another
we
reason
bottom ticked
why
that motherfucker.
is because
Let's
it's been
go.
holding down
Almost.
Oh my
this whole
God.
consolidation down. It's been at a downtrend this whole
We
fat
had
ass
Q.
minute.
We had NQ
So we
basically
can see
at
4 or
low.
5 tomorrow. I
Actually,
mean
Monday,
today.
baby boy.
We broke
Yeah.
away above this
Grab your
low.
balls. It's
The
time to
low of
go.
orb to hit 405.
Oh,
Alright, I mean
76?
205
Sure.
already with the 1
Sure,
hour.
bud. Sure,
So
bud.
we can go see
No
the 1 hour
worries, bud.
highs, which would
Fucking
be
75's in the money.
201.
I didn't even notice.
So, Chad, that's another reason why I bought it. Is because we broke over with the 1
Fucking.
hour right here. Above the lows of the previous.
Oh, we're 200 a con now. Prophecy. Let's go, baby.
Let's
Definitely
go,
seeing
baby.
some rejection off that 76,
Oh my
so
God,
just be
BA
careful.
pushing up. BA ripping.
If I can get one more
BA
little pop
ripping,
towards that
Chad.
76, I'm selling this last
BA
runner. I'm
ripping.
fucking
Alright, I'm gonna put this back
donezo.
here. Lucid, how my Lucid shares doing? Okay, not too bad, not too bad.
I'm just gonna sell it right now. I'm out. We're done. Done day. Fucking closing the computer.
Nice.
$1,600 hauler because of Celsius. I'll
6.
fucking take that.
That's crazy.
45-minute workday, baby.
Dude, 45-minute workday, motherfuckers. Oh my
Spy,
god.
let's get it, let's go.
Let's go. I was surprised.
We holding that, baby.
I'm
We holding
surprised because
that.
I was
Here, let's take off the
thinking I was
jacket.
gonna be
Jacket's coming
here.
off.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna be here all day still, but I was assuming I was gonna be looking for trades a lot longer. So
You're not fucking leaving us.
Come on, baby. God did,
no,
baby.
absolutely not.
Let's keep pushing. This liquidity is kind of getting filled now. If we get a double top here, that'd be kind of dangerous for us. Tesla pushing down. I'm down to... that gulp. Let's get it. Let's go, boys. Let's be patient. 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 Not selling. Not selling. We broke
Hedge
above
pressure
these
might be up
highs.
now.
We went down. We pushed right back up for a reason.
Hedge pressure's back. Somebody said. Let's
I'm
see.
expecting. This is just sliding out. Dude, what if we go see?
Hey, we might
515
actually have
today?
hedge pressure now on SPY. Yes, we do. That's nice.
We're getting close to the reject level.
Oh shit.
509.50. That's hedge pressure. Monthly hedge.
Tesla. What are you doing, Tesla? Go up. What are you doing right now? What are you doing right now? Tesla, go up. Might be taking TP here. Might be taking TP here.
I'm posting that SPY hedge pressure chart up top. I know we didn't really have it at the open
Yeah,
this
like
morning,
you said,
but
we
it is
hit
out now.
hedgy. We're hitting hedge
Which
pressure.
now I'm curious, what is it on Celsius?
Oh no. Tesla, no. You piece of shit.
Man, that NVIDIA reject.
I'm all letting NQ break even here.
Oh, fuck me.
Just a bit early.
Oh.
Give us some puts.
Make sure y'all taking out trims, chat. We're up about 35. Should've just waited.
By
205.
rejecting the top of the MMK zone again.
Oh, we closed
It's
above
around
it though.
510.55. Still, the bottom of the zone goes to 508.40. Top of the zone is 510.55. SPY is still in the middle of the zone, so I'm not really looking to touch SPY until some kind of confirmation breaks to the upside or downside.
I'm trying a 431 put here on QQQ for tomorrow. I got
431
a
put.
daytime here. A day's
I
time.
hope y'all took y'all's
Days worth
profits,
of-
chat.
Watch Tesla downside. Just rejected a trend line here. pre-market at 9:10, the high today at 9:45, and then this previous candle right here. That's a trend line. Just hit it for the third time. So watch for the rejection. Take it down.
Yeah. By the way, the reason I went short here is we keep rejecting Friday's high. Also, we have on some time frames we do have some potential reversal candles there. So that's why I'm looking for possible downside, and that's also why I got next day contracts just in case they screw with it a little bit. It won't, totally burn.
Don't fuck with me. Why do you think
my
we're going down?
contracts that
Don't fuck with
bad,
me.
but
why do you think we're going down?
I do think we can see
Why
some
do you think we're going
downside here.
down? Tell me, why do you think you're going down? Please tell me why you think we're going
And
down.
we will see if that.
I should have waited. Emails are crossing. Oh shit.
I want to swing PayPal calls so bad.
PayPal.
I should have waited a little bit longer on
Yeah,
Tesla.
I want to swing these
But
$72
I have to take the
calls
damage now, and I have to
for
just accept
May
it and just hold
17th.
it for its
$72,
lower
you
bounce.
I have all these. Yeah.
Shit, sweeping down.
So PayPal has a gap to fill to 72.50.
Okay.
Be patient here, guys. Be patient here.
I just don't want all these earnings and FOMC on Wednesday to fuck up a swing,
Oh,
which
yeah.
I know it will.
Oh yeah.
Most definitely.
Yeah, that'll fuck everything up.
Come on, Telly. Tessie,
I mean, these are 18
what are you doing,
DTEs, but
Tessie?
still.
Bro, Tessie, I'ma suck your dick, nigga.
Probably hold off on it. Snow just started an hourly squeeze. Microsoft still consolidating at 401.
Wants me to sell my car.
Meta still flat at 435. Apple looking like it wants to just
I'm gonna sell my car.
fade its entire morning move.
I really think watching to the downside is big here.
I want to see it bounce right here.
Big pop on IWM, back up to $200.
Big pop on IWM. That's really good.
See
That's
if
really
it gets
good.
a nice
That's really good.
rejection
That's
right
really good.
here.
That's really good. Nice, PA ripping, bro. BA, let's fucking go, baby. Oh, my
Some
beautiful.
bearish flow on SPY.
Shut up. Shut up. There's no bearish flow. We're going up.
I'd say last 4 minutes.
We're right at the point of control on the 3-minute. We
sold
pushed
calls,
down. We got
more bought
rejected off of these O's. Off of open candle low. And now we're pushing up higher. You see how we're getting rejected off of this candle?
Expiration and December
This is buy side right
expiration.
here. This is, we get this hold right here. We got hold right here. No candles closed under this. Beautiful.
No,
just
I'm waiting
perfect.
for a video here.
We have not gone and touch up.
Again.
We have not yet gone touch a bit up again to these high orbs. So we got to go chase these highs of orbs. We went up once, but we went down to touch the lows, and we haven't gone up all the way up to touch the highs. So
PayPal
just be patient.
6/21, 2024, $80
Thank
expiration.
You, God. Thank you, Lord. Lord Jesus.
Let me see.
Jesus. Thank you, God.
That's a little far out. That's
you fucking cunty bitch.
June 21st.
Pushing up. Beautiful. Amazon looking it's catching its wind.
PayPal new high day.
Come on, keep pushing. Keep holding that EMA. Keep riding those EMA.
Celsius new high day. $66 or $76 hit, baby.
Damn. Okay.
I'm out of it now.
Those
I don't even care. I'm just fucking. We're dancing over here. We're boogieing. Jordy's boogieing.
Boogie dance.
I'm actually buying this right now.
Buying what?
I'm gonna get a starter position. PayPal.
Oh yeah, baby.
PayPal.
NQ,
Let's check out PayPal.
I'm gonna get a.
Sorry.
Let's check out PayPal, chat. Let's see how PayPal is doing.
Go ahead.
We haven't checked out.
904
got a good ass bounce. But he said he is taking a position on the long.
All right, PayPal. June 21st.
June 21st.
$80 calls. They are very cheap right now.
85.
At 90 on the bid, 91 on the ask. I'm going to start a swing position on PayPal with these contracts.
Wait, what contracts is that? 95?
Watching this 3 to 5 minute here at that 9:04. It's over right now, but
June 21st. You said, what do you say, 95? Jack, can we replay that? Can we replay that, chat? Let's replay that.
Vita.
Thank you, God.
These contracts are so
So we got to go chase these highs.
Morning, guys.
Morning,
Push
morning.
down. We got rejected off of
Yo,
these
what's up, Frank?
O's. For this candle,
expiration and December
this is buy
20th
side right here.
expiration.
This is, we get this hold right here. We got hold right here. We no candles close under this. Beautiful. The high.
How's it going?
Oh,
All right.
yeah, I'm
PayPal
done,
621,
CELH, baby.
2024.
Bottom
$80
pick.
Yo, what cause?
expiration.
What cause did he say?
I'm all out and I'm done.
Jesus.
What is
Thank you,
going
God.
for?
Let's go. Come on,
Yeah,
give
Shorted
me that
couple of names
Tesla.
that I opened.
Give me a bounce down here. I should have bought down
pretty
here,
good here.
but it's okay. I'm holding to see it bounce down
Oh, did you
here to
catch
push
the
back up
morning
to its
dump,
highs.
Frank?
The highs that I want to see
What's
is
that?
up here.
Did you catch the
So by
opening
the end of the
dump?
day, I want to go
Celsius.
touch up these highs, no matter
Yeah, I
what.
did. I
Putting
did
the
catch that.
EMA
They
key.
closed
But
the
honestly, if we
gap
start
over
breaking
Celsius
down,
new
I'm
high
going
day.
to sell.
$66 or $76.
Yeah,
Is
right,
anything
Frank.
long here?
Okay.
I'm out
Oh
of it
my
now.
God.
I don't even care.
Yes.
Fucking,
Yes, sir.
we're dancing over here. We're
We're
boogieing.
playing. We're dancing.
Jordy's boogieing.
Dance. Boogie
Very
dance.
risky here, though, because
I'm
I need
actually
this candle
buying
to
this
close
right
over
now.
the 10-minute
Buying what?
swing
Buy,
get
man.
above
What the
the
fuck is this buy
61.8
doing?
fib,
PayPal.
Oh, yeah,
which
baby.
is 903.
PayPal.
And Q,
Let's
if we
check
get
out PayPal.
I'm
over,
going to get a
sorry,
Let's check out PayPal, chat. Let's see how
go
PayPal's
ahead,
doing.
Microsoft getting a pop.
904 out.
Oh! Got a good ass bounce.
Push here.
But he said
Wanna
he
get
is
here.
taking a position on the long.
The risk is high. I have my stop loss.
All right,
Very tight.
PayPal, June 21st.
June 21st.
$80 calls.
80.
They're
Who's
very
shorting
cheap
the
right
video?
now.
You don't
They're
do
85.
sitting at
that.
June
90
1st.
on the bid, 91 on the
video is
ask.
only a long.
I'm going to start a swing position on PayPal with these contracts.
Wait, what contracts is that? 95?
watching this 3 to 5 minute here
90?
at that 9:04.
Oh,
It's over
shit.
right now, but
$90 though. He said, what do you say, 95? Jack, can we replay
Google
that?
still rejecting EMAs and has
It's
yet
just
to get
$10
a
above,
candle
though.
close above that 168.
Can we replay that, chat? Let's replay that.
Vita.
Thank you, God.
These contracts are so
So we got to go chase these highs.
Morning, guys.
Morning,
Push
morning.
down. We got rejected off of
Yo,
these
what's up, Frank?
O's. I got this candle. Yo, how you doing? On the investing. Yo, what's up, bro? Welcome to the stream, buddy. Welcome to the stream. I'm doing pretty good today, bro. We got some. I got into some calls. My calls are up 20% right now. I got some calls after this breaker structure double bottom that I saw riding EMAs to the top to higher orb. We bounced up on open to fill that gap. We went down, find support. Buyer stepped in. I answered some calls, saw my EMAs cross. Boom, baby. We're fucking printing now. I want to push up above this, push down, double bottom, push right back up. Welcome, High with Kai. Welcome to the stream, buddy. What's up? Hope you're having an amazing day. But hey, we're looking pretty good on our positions right now. No cap. Very, very, very blessed. I want to see it bounce right here on Tesla to go reach these 205 level. Easy 205 level. Easy. Another reason why I say that is because we broke under the highs of that orb, of that 204 orb. We broke hourly lows. So that's telling me we broke above it. Yeah, we broke down, but I'm expecting to see it bounce down here to push back up into those orbally highs, hourly highs. So I'm expecting to see a higher than 192 today on SPY. And looks like we're getting a bounce right where I said we were going to get a bounce. Beautiful. BA is still pushing, baby. Let's fucking go. Tesla pushing up now. Tesla pushing up. I told y'all. Let's get a double bottom here. And then I got in right here. And then like liquidity sweep me. But I'm holding for long. Because Tesla. You know what I'm saying?
Spike on for that new high.
I want to push up, push down, push up, push down, push up. You know what I mean?
Do it.
But I want to see Tesla start riding
hedge
this.
pressure at 75. Wouldn't be surprised if we see a little pullback
Make sure
towards
y'all
that 15
start
minute
taking
9.
y'all's take profit, take y'all's TP
East hedge
on
pressure
y'all's
there. We test
calls,
the orb.
on y'all SPY calls. Make sure y'all are taking out TP. To your own risk management and to whatever you can put hold. How you doing, bro? I'm doing pretty good. Hope you're doing good too, bro. How's your investing, bro? You trade stocks? What you do? What you do for a living? What you do? I'm expecting to see a bounce here on SPY. My BA. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. We might declare it out here to sell lows. We can probably just see a choppy ass day today, or we can probably come see back bounce at 509. No. We're getting a bounce right here. We should be getting a bounce right here back up. That's my 5-minute. Yep. Beautiful. Not selling. We gotta be patient with the market. And you gotta see what the market gives us. We can't be, oh, do it quick type shit. You know what I mean? Nah. Be patient. And if this gets breaking down, this is my stop loss right here. I'm gonna put my stop loss higher to collect that extra, the premium. Not collect extra premium, but if I get stopped out, I get stopped out in profit instead of stopping out even. Right now we're pretty good. We're just riding. We're chilling. Hey, Brody Kai, make sure to drop a sub if you're new here, bro. We're live streaming every single day, bro. Oh shit, you can't even see my face. There you go, fam. But we live streaming every single motherfucking day. Here at it. You know what I mean? Every single day. With the grind BA pushing up. Holy shit. Dude, I got in some calls as well. One of my calls are about to be in the fucking money. Then, oh, let's go. Let's go. Tesla's pushing up, baby. Dude, we're gonna have a good ass day. Okay, looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on SPY. It looks like I'm gonna get stopped out on SPY. Hold up. Let me see how this shit reacts. Yeah, I'm selling this shit. Hold up. Push up. Everything's just riding. I'm hold this. I'm holding this. Put my stop down here. At this low. We broke above this. We filled this gap right here. Excuse me. We're going down, chat. Make sure y'all take profits. We should be getting a bounce right here. At this double bottom. This is the liquidity sweep right here, guys. That
was a great short.
I literally sold my NQ short because we got the 3 to 5 minute.
What's up, brother? Make sure you drop a like and subscribe if you're new here. Tesla pushing back up.
That is a little upsetting.
I'm expecting for a push right here off of. Oh shit! Nah, we getting down. We're going down. I might be selling here.
Still flat. It's right at this level, but now it's holding it. It's consolidating to see where this breakout's going to go.
I got fucked.
Apple still looks heavy.
I want to get a bounce here.
Oh
though.
Jesus, QQQ.
Where's QQQ? Oh yeah, no, that's not
what
good.
A we did not
close above this previous high on the 1 hour how we needed to. That's not looking too good for the bulls. I'm gonna just be straight up with you. For the bulls, it ain't looking too good. I'm down $17 on my SPY right now. It's just I'm holding. Looking for a bounce right here. I'm holding for a reason. Hey, I'm gonna drop the Discord. Make sure you join the Discord if you're new. Yes, I'm currently live.
Celsius just had a beautiful retest right above hedge pressure there, about 20 cents above. Didn't quite touch it, but looking like a nice dip buy so far to that 5-minute 9 EMA. If this can break 76, We're looking spicy. I would watch out for that 76.50 though. That's a previous low on the daily chart. It's gonna be resistance now. So I definitely keep eyes
Boom!
there.
Look, I told you the liquidity sweep.
Some more
There's the
profit.
buyer stepping
Go
in.
May.
What time is news today? I don't know what news. I mean, we ain't got nothing really. We got a 3-month and 6-month bill auction that are not going to concern me whatsoever. So
Yes,
really don't
nice.
got
Double bottom.
much going on today, but the rest of the week we
I'm
definitely
expecting
do.
just to
Most we
consolidate
have today is
throughout
earnings.
out the whole day, man. And just consolidate throughout here to break these highs.
Which-
I'm holding my call. I'm not.
Alright.
Let's see what earnings we have tonight.
For me.
I'm gonna just relax.
Yeah,
We have
Amazon has
MSTR and
earnings.
Paramount tonight. Those are the most.
Too much risk today.
But like I
One
said,
to look
if
at the
I
most.
keep seeing it down, keep going lower low, lower
LTV
lows,
and
I'm
NFTV.
gonna be looking to sell. There's
NFTV.
nothing to
You
hold
guys have a
here.
great rest of your trading day.
You too, Nate.
But like I said, we're gonna be
Dude,
patient
shout out
here
Nate.
and we're gonna be
Yeah,
relaxed.
Nate's a dog.
I'm gonna move my stop loss to
He's got that
right
dog in him.
here.
You hear that big Nate dog, you know? Yeah.
Mhm.
That's my stop loss. I do have to go use the restroom, chat. Control copy. I do have to go. Damn, chat. I have to go take a shit. Yo, chat. I have to take a shit. Oh, I'm getting stopped. No, the liquidity. The liquidity. It's taking a poop on me.
I took NQ short here.
It's breaking down the 1 minute VWAP. Are we gonna hold it? I gotta shit though. I gotta take a shit. I'm gonna move my stop loss to where it usually was, where it was. Oh, I have to go take a shit, chat. This is not good, and I'm in a trade. We got a bounce right here, so I'm expecting to see a bounce on this 3-minute candle right here. Back to this orb of liquidity. Look at this open liquidity right here. Oh, I gotta take a shit. This is a liquidity sweep right here. Nice, Tesla! Tesla, let's fucking go. My BA ripping up. Holy shit. We had BA to fucking rip up for the longest time. Holy shit. Dude, I gotta take a massive shit. I'm sorry, chat. I'm sorry, chat. I gotta take a massive shit. BA running. Running. Huh. Let's fucking go, boys. Nothing beautiful. So look how beautiful this shit is, man. Holy moly. Oh, so beautiful. So beautiful. So beautiful. That's my TP. That's first TP right here. And then second TP is up here.
Google retesting that pre-market low. Still looking weak around it. Could be another setup for shorts.
And it is, because we have to go touch 165 on Google before we see buyers step in. And let's fucking go. And I'm up $11 on Tesla right now already. I told y'all to buy them contracts. I told y'all to. I can possibly hear. We can possibly see a call swings here. 512s. I think I'm gonna buy 512 to right to 515s. That's easy bread if you tell me. They're so cheap right now. They're 20 a piece and 80 a piece. But we are getting rejected off of these orbs, off of this gap piece. I like how we're just breaking over this. I really like the strength that is, the BA is showing me. We're pushed under. We pushed down under the EMAs. We we tried to push back up into the EMAs, and now we're getting rejected off of the EMAs 3-minute. We are just holding VWAP at this point. And we got a double bottom right here forming. So honestly, I'm not gonna see a lower after this. I'm not gonna see a low, a new low. Okay. Okay, you can probably see new low. Alright, alright, alright. Maybe I don't even know what I'm talking about. Damn, brother. That's my stop right there, down there, though. We got in right here. Yeah, we're getting rejected, chat. Not looking too healthy on the SPY. But why would we reject off of that? We can't reject off of this. We can't reject off of this because this is a really strong bull like point of control. This is a really strong point of control right here on the bulls that need to hold. I'm being so serious with you, chat. We have to be strong and courageous. The high of orb is up here. Just chilling.
How's Celsius now? Definitely. Still hanging out. Come on, baby. You gotta clear that 76 bucks.
Come on, SPY, give it to me. Oh, give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. I'm worth it.
Oh, my bad.
God gave me the vision, baby. Push up, push up, push up, push up. Let's get it, let's go. Let's get it, let's go. Let's get it, let's go. Let's get it, and let's go. Tesla pushing up even higher. We're gonna break the 200s. Hope y'all know that. 195s as well. And then 105s. Where's the 105s? Right up here. I don't know why I do not have my SPX chart up at here showing. Oh, chat. It's not looking too good. I'm not gonna lie. I think I'm gonna just cut my losses. Yeah, I'm cutting my losses. I'm out, chat.
Projecting
I got filled.
Friday's highs
$19
down
loss.
cube.
I should have taken my TP up here. I just didn't take it.
I like Celsius for a dip buy if it
that we got
does
rejected
lose
by
that
the
hedge
liquidity,
pressure and get back down to that
we
0.5
should have
fib around
sold.
74 bucks. Also lines up with
For the people that sold
Friday's
in
high
profit,
day.
you're welcome.
That would be a nice spot to add
Nice
more
little double
longs,
shirt,
but
W
if it holds
scalp.
hedge pressure, that would be the spot as well.
This liquidity got swept. Now
There's
I'm
two
wanting
little
to see this
spots where you could
liquidity down
definitely
here
bounce
sweep.
there. Keep an eye.
I want to get this liquidity down here.
I think those would be some good dip buy opportunities.
And then we're getting some good dip buy opportunities here on Tesla with this double bottom right here, breaker structure right here.
Fucking phenomenal day on the boat. Oh my gosh.
But beautiful,
Doesn't get
beautiful day. Look at BA.
Holy shit, boy.
Where the fuck is Yo?
So lucky.
Like, this stock is
So
so
fucking
robust.
lucky.
So robust.
Beyond blessed.
I hope y'all took profit on the SPY calls I gave y'all, chat. Let's fucking go.
Hell yeah.
W, guys. W, W, W.
Sunshine's beaming.
Sunshine and rainbows. But like I
Beaming.
said,
that fresh ocean,
I'm gonna
salty
be looking
air.
for some call swings.
Birds chirping.
I'm gonna be looking for some call swings. I wanna go. Damn, do you actually hear those birds? What the fuck? We're gonna just consolidate though. Let's fill this liquidity down here. This is my liquidity down here. Liquidity here. We got up, down, filled liquidity. So I wanna go bounce off of this liquidity down here. But like honestly, consolidation is the best thing that we can see on that point, cause it's a bear place. This is a bear place. So the more consolidation we see here, the better for us, cause the bigger the breakout, and etc. You know what I mean?
Tesla not doing shit. Glad I didn't really touch that today. Did
Oh
get a
yeah,
nice
it's gonna
bounce,
do
higher low,
something. You're just
but,
not aware of it, sir.
Not something I'm looking to play. I know it had a great move overnight, but it's tough to play that. Well, it's going to be in that range today, in my opinion. And we all know how Tesla
I
can
think
be
I'm
when
gonna
it's
swing a
kind of back
511
and forth.
call.
It's not a fun ticker to trade like that. So I'd stay away.
Nah, we're seeing lowers on Google, guys. We're about to go reach the low. We're about to go see a new low. And then we hopefully see a bounce off of 165.
Retest. Also pre-market high.
We have
I'd
to
like
get a
to see it
bounce right
lose
here.
that, honestly. It probably
Off
won't,
as 165.
because we have had some good
And
momentum.
then that's when we
but
start
I'd
looking for
like to see
calls.
it come back down to that 74 and retest. That'd be even better.
So let's see that push off of this right here. Let's see BI keep pushing up, being strong. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. How beautiful is this? Look, we're getting bounced off of the... We're getting a bounce, but yeah, we can get rejected off of these lows down here. We broke under the VWAP just now in the 1 minute.
Oh my god, exclusive
I'm
had
expecting...
Tesla calls over the weekend. Fucking animal.
Oh yeah, it's crazy.
Oh, I know he did.
Dirty dog, man.
It's perfect time to go long on
He
Tesla.
bought him on...
Lucid. I think I'm going
he
to go heavy
bought
on
him the
Lucid.
day Google and Microsoft reported last week, whatever day that was.
Fucking dog, bro.
I can't remember what day it was, if it was Wednesday or something, but yeah, that's when he initially got in on those Tesla calls, and
BA
he's just
ripping.
been swinging them since.
Tesla ripping. Beautiful. Oh. I'm expecting here to start seeing 5 minute? Yeah, 5 minute double bottom. 5 minute double bottom SPY. Oh, dude, why did I sell my call? There's just nothing's really moving. Dude, why do I keep... I gotta change the camera. W, yay. I can see the chat on here now. Hey, guys.
Let's go. Somebody made
Hi.
360% on 145 calls for Tesla. Let's go.
Nice.
Shout out Armando. Armando, my man. Killing it. Love to see it. It's fucking awesome. That's beautiful to wake up to. I mean,
Tesla pushing back up. I like it.
Armando.
there's probably a handful of people that got absolutely saved by their account or by Tesla for their accounts.
BA is up $5 today. It's insane, huh?
Lucky.
Yeah, I don't like anything really right now. I'm just gonna wait.
Plug,
Yeah, I'm
T-Dog.
definitely not. I mean, if I don't see myself
WIN,
opening another
Sophie,
position, but if I do, it's gonna be for a swing. It's gonna be light.
MTC. Holy shit.
But I doubt I open anything else, to be completely honest.
Dude. Yo, what's up? What's up, Unknown? What's good, my boy? What's good? Welcome back, buddy. Welcome back. So, I'm gonna give you a little recap right now of what we're going on right now. AMD, we pushed down to you could have gone long. We went down to its lows to the VWAP and we pushed back up. Look at that wick. Huge buyer stepping in right here. And just to hold support and to hold pre-market high, and it's just holding up there. SPY, we went for a little 34% scalp, and we took we rode this right here. We rode it from the from right here all the way to this liquidity, and we're pushing down now to find support at this double bottom right here. I don't know if you can see it, to push back up to its highs. So you're kind of seeing this right now until it breaks higher high. You know what I mean? It's high right here, low right here, high right here, low right here, high right here until it breaks the high right here, low right here, and now it breaks the high. But that's what we're gonna start seeing right here. I'm in some Tesla calls right now. We're currently green, and yes, sir, looking pretty good. Looking pretty juicy on Tesla calls. 1 hour, we broke above these hourly lows for this 205 hourly lows. I don't know if you can see this candle
Tough
right
battle
here.
here
This
between
orb
10-minute
on the 1
EMAs
hour, we
and
broke
this
under.
bullish Goldie
You see
zone
how we
on
closed
NQ
above?
here.
So I
Graphic
took a
kind of
long right
stalling. Could be a
here,
higher low.
and as you can see, we double bottom. I saw a break of structure right here. Buyer stepped in, and I'm in, baby. I'm in, baby. Two position. I'm in SPY. I was thinking about calls right now on SPY. Excuse me. To go reach. What do you think? What do you think on SPY calls for that 512? But I want to get. I want to buy it in the money. If I'm gonna buy anything, it's gonna be in the money. BA fucking pushing up, baby. We are heavily up on fucking BA as well. Tesla, I'm expecting Tesla to push up. It was up fucking $10 pre-market, dude, this morning.
All right. Here's that retest of hedge pressure for Celsius.
I think I am gonna go. I think I'm
gonna
gonna buy
try
some
for longs,
12s.
maybe even below here at this 21 EMA
Some
might be a little bit better if you get a
calls.
tick
I think
down
I'm gonna buy
there.
3 of them for 50
like
bucks.
that.
That's kind of cheap, right?
And if it loses that 74.60, I'm looking for 74 dip buys.
That's cheap. Right now they're at 12
That'd be the
apiece.
move.
So we can see $17 go to 70, sell at profit, or hold on, we can probably see a higher low right here. Okay, chat, I'm not gonna enter right now because I'm seeing higher lows. I'm expecting this to come down and touch this liquidity in this VWAP at this 3-minute low, and then to start getting that momentum right here, or we can just possibly see a higher low right here. Just push up to these highs. But more consolidation would be the best.
For
I'm
you?
not gonna lie.
Oh, they good.
I wanna go see
They
Let's
good.
go, baby. Let's
down
go.
there. Gotta get that pushed and get bounced off of
Yeah,
that.
they no worried about them.
Amazon doing the opposite.
'Cause
Google
they
as
good.
well. I had to get out
They
of Google.
good.
No cap.
It's chest day.
I know, and I hope you
try
have a
out.
good day today,
Wattbender
bro.
made me a little chest workout.
Mm.
I'm gonna try her out today, baby. Let you know I'm gonna be cooked. I already know it. My lats are still a little cooked from that workout we had. Damn, that was last week.
BA ripping. Tesla, come on, give me that move, baby. Give me that move. Keep on going.
Yeah, I'm liking the dip buys on Celsius right now.
Celsius.
Looking spicy.
HELH.
Oh.
Alright, we're up 20% on my Tesla.
Reclaim that 75.
On my Tesla.
If not, the retest of 74 will be a better spot.
Beautiful hold, beautiful breach, guys. The fuck is that? SPY pushing back down. Like I said, I wanted that. I wanted this. Oh, hold up. Let's see what it does here. 15 minutes. 15-minute candle closes. Oh, that would be the third candle. Yeah, I want to go see these lows get swept. Ooh, we can. Yeah, bro, because we broke already into this pre-market. If we would have respected this pre-market, we would have seen a respected off of this high, off of this low. No candles need to close under this. If we get a candle close under this, we'll get fucked. Not get fucked, but we'll see more downside if we get a candle close above this. And this is a 15-minute. We got 15 minutes to close. And you're not wrong, bro. So Tesla can, SPY can definitely show some momentum here today. But at the same time, it go doom doom. We also got a rejection off of the EMAs off of this 3-minute right here. But we're just on top of the support right here. We kind of broke into it already with this 3-minute. So I'm expecting us to push these 3-minute lows. I'm not gonna lie. So I want to see this level get swept. I'll buy down here, sell up here. So it'll look something like this. My levels, play level to level, guys. Play level to level. I'm guessing we're gonna see a new low today. Play your levels to level, guys. Don't forget, play your levels to levels, guys. Don't forget, play your levels to level, guys. Don't be a tweeb. Play levels to levels. That's what I want to see right here, just like this. That's a good 509 all the way to 510. Good risk to reward right there. But wait, this is our sell side now. So I want to see sellers bring this down all the way down to this low. So that's what I'm gonna see right now. And I know this for a fact that it's going to happen because we already broke into this pre-market high. So I want to see a breakdown. I know that double bottom.
SPY has been in a 5-minute squeeze now for 2 hours and 10 minutes and is still stuck in the zone. So
yeah, we're just sitting here.
Nothing looks interesting on anything that I see. All the bigger names, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Apple, Google.
We're getting some moves here now.
AMD,
Tesla
NVIDIA,
almost about to break highs
IWM.
here. It's got a 1-minute EMA pullback.
I'm telling you.
But it's just range in between 185 to 190 today, so probably holds that resistance.
A pop here, 36.99 up about 2.5% RBLX.
Tesla gave a W pattern, double bottom, and it just printed a double top off the 190.
I want this liquidity to get swept here, guys. At least half of this liquidity has to get swept before me even entering into a trade.
If it breaks above that pre-market high.
So I want to see this get breaking down.
Looks like NQ wants to head down lower. And
we're going down, guys.
Good morning, Sharky.
There's Sharky.
He's sleepy.
Yo, what's up, Shark?
So, guys, I think they're banging the 10-year yield down. It's down 1% today. They're going to try to little rally in the bond market.
Here we go.
For the slam on Wednesday, where they take them back up.
But this is a big development in the sense that FSD, for all its shortcomings and the progress that's still
never short enough, Sharky. Never short enough.
More widely used and accepted.
Yeah, they bought it right back up. I mean, this is literally my first trade of the day. I missed the long, and I didn't hit the short up at 19. So just chill. Let's see if we can get something here.
Let's get it. Let's go, boys. Let's get it. Let's go, boys. Everybody that's tuning in, thank y'all for stopping by, and chillaxing with me and being here with me. Thank y'all for the love, the support.
Just to explain the chronology of what happened, there were multiple stages to
Yeah, Sharky. I was short like 30. I'm down to 10. Kind of just got to stop in.
Oh, well, 30 you can make some change.
Yeah, I'm doing fine. Yeah, I hit
Oh,
it
here we
again.
go.
I've been hitting it back
Just
and
give it
forth,
up.
trading the range.
There she goes.
Yeah, covered a little.
20-point gain in Q,
Let's fill
covered
that gap.
half. There she blows.
Or she blows. Start to cover here.
I think they do go for that gap spot this morning. Again.
I'm just realizing how important EMAs are.
Facts.
Yeah, I mean, they're
EMAs
nice
are
to
getting
have.
broken down already. We got half of that liquidity just got swept. But now we're breaking down to these lows. So I want to see sellers. So we got sellers step in right here, and now I want to see buyers step in right here under these over these highs, above these lows. Excuse me. So I want to see some kind of buyers step in throughout right here. We also have some more liquidity down here sitting. So this is possibly that we go turn this sell side liquidity into buy side liquidity. We got more liquidity down here resting. We have to go fill this. We cannot just let this. We cannot just ignore it. Tesla getting the bounce, nice. But you can kind of see how we opened at the highs. We got rejected double times, and now we're finding the lows now. So let the lows play out, guys. Don't get in right now. I'm telling you right now. Don't get in right now. It's not the safe place to get in right now.
With companies that play a critical role in these driver assistance systems that may one day be able to support, fully taking the human driver out of the equation.
And what's so interesting is Baidu is itself quite competent in the domain of at least developing autonomous technology. Look, the stock's up 12% or more, on track for its biggest jump since January 2022. Seems good news. There is some more nuanced view in the markets about what Musk's actually doing here.
It's gonna make a head and shoulders. That's a head right there.
Elon Musk saw an opportunity to go in there and say, look, I want to do this because we've seen the clashes that have been going on between the U.S. and China. He's trying to put a foot in both sides and say, look, I've got this technology. And he had the premium brand in China.
Where the fuck is Celsius at? Things are hyping up Celsius. It's getting rejected off of the 1 hour previous high. You don't want that. Are you kidding me? Is that what you're celebrating? I'm confused.
Guess consumer discretionary leading the pack with Tesla.
Nice, Tesla pushing up. I'm starting to go heavy on these EVs. Let's check out Lucid. I just bought 50 shares of it today. I'm gonna start buying heavier and heavier the days we push up higher and higher. Amazon down. Like I said, I'm not buying SPY at all right now. We already broke into the support. It makes no sense for us to break into the support to push back up. We would have broken into we went to the support, we would have not broken in it and just consolidated above it. I'm looking. This is going down. We got more liquidity down here. It's not the time to buy right now, chat.
Harley Davidson shares up about 2% today.
BA pushing up higher. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ. Alright, guys. Looks like one of my calls for BA is going to be in the money now. God, dude, baby. Dude, I was waiting for BA to do this shit. I was waiting for BA. This is a fucking... Dude, this is crazy. Crazy move. Like I said, it's gonna slowly break lower and lower. Do not buy. Okay, but let's see these calls on Nice. Nice chat. Okay, so we honestly, the morning of today, we perfectly handled our portfolio the right way, how we were supposed to. We sold the bad ones, we holded the ones that were bullish and that were holding good, and we bought into the ones that were selling up. How's Apple looking? Looking honkish. Honkish.
Amazon, big drop to the downside back at low of day.
You barely saw that, buddy. They're going to squeeze this down. So be ready. They're going to squeeze this down.
Meta, big drop downside as well.
Let's see. Can we get a bounce here on Amazon with the double bottom 5 minute? And
Meta.
If Amazon starts to really lose 179.50
right here.
on the hourly, I mean, it can get
in the money,
that was a big
baby.
drop there on Amazon.
Yeah.
Moly.
Wow.
That's gonna be a really
Straight
good
back-
opportunity though, because
straight
it's
back
gonna do
down
the
to
same thing as
lows.
Google did right
The
before
200
earnings.
EMA is
Fucking
on the
completely
hourly
slaughtered. Look,
Technically, I think
slaughtered.
it's 179.4 something, and it's what it held this morning, and it just did it again.
Google puts are gonna fucking print.
Apple still looks like it wants to roll over here. Inverse cup and handle, drop it back down to 174.
I want to go touch this 5 minute point of control right here before I decide to buy.
Google 30-minute looks disgusting.
Loose it up.
AMD and Nvidia both look like bull flags that want to break out to the upside.
Damn, bro. Shit.
And Tesla's back at 190. So half of the big tech names just sold off. The other half are getting setups and pushing higher. So hence the reason why Qs and SPY are pinned where they are right now.
Mm-hmm.
Amazon pushing
with that
lower.
Being said,
holy shit.
I have to go prepare to go get cut open in a place I don't want to get cut open.
No.
What the fuck?
Ooh, thanks for sharing.
What the fuck? Why do you say that?
Buddy.
Stay safe, may
Yo,
God
take it
be
easy,
with
Casey.
you, bro, and your surgery. Holy
Goodbye
shit.
to the
I appreciate you guys.
If your surgeon has an eye patch, be worried.
Yeah, you might
Be
want to do a
worried.
new surgeon if that's the case.
Be worried.
If he pulls out a leather belt and starts slashing the blade across it, you better run.
Yeah. If
that
that happens, you made a wrong turn. You made a left instead of a right.
Yeah, just know something's wrong. Fuck.
I'm trying to figure out what underwear I should wear to surprise him with whenever it starts.
What the
Red.
fuck? Alright, looks like we're getting a double bottom off of open here.
Just
Or
straight
lower high,
red.
excuse me.
Casey, you'll be fine.
You'll be
Off
alright.
of this liquidity
You'll
right
make
here
it
in 3
through. You'll
minutes.
be just fine.
So it looks like we're getting a bounce here.
Yeah. So, all right, boys. I love you guys.
Love you too, brother.
I'm not sure if I'll be able to jump back in by the end of the day because I'll be loopy, but I'll be back tomorrow morning ready to go.
All good.
So.
Sounds good, brother.
You definitely got to come in later in the
Yeah,
day.
if you're
after
loopy, you got to come in for a second. For sure.
Yeah, you got to. Yep.
I should. It starts at 3, so I mean, I'll be in the car on my way home. Definitely right before the closing day. So if I am,
minutes, right?
then yeah, it's literally
Let's go,
like a max of 10, 20
Let's
minutes.
fucking go. We're printing. We're fucking
So,
printing.
Yeah,
God
maybe from
did.
3:30 to 4.
God motherfucking did.
Be just in the car on my phone and just be telling everybody all my secrets and weird shit. So.
Stay safe, baby.
Ala, ama
Love you guys. I'll see you later.
lama ne. And we're up, boys. We're up on the portfolio. We're up 10% on the portfolio.
Yeah, this price action is mindless.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Money, let's go. Got it.
I think the word
Got
you're
it.
looking for is
Got it. Got it.
Garbage.
How's Sophie doing?
Well,
it went down because of earnings. That shit's crazy. It's sad. It's sad. We're in the money, baby. One of my cars are in the money, boys. One of my cars are in the money. You can buy essentially 75s right now as well, and they would be in the money. We're getting a bounce on SPY. Can we go chase these highs now? We're going to be open to all possibilities. And we're going to be strong and courageous. Let's get it. Let's go, boys.
Choppy. It's a little choppy.
Yeah, that's why, dude. That's why I just cut my Celsius and I'm calling it a day. I ain't gonna trade this bullshit.
I think I'm gonna be red. No. I'll be green because of the credit spread.
Credit spread.
But it won't be by the much if I don't do anything else. Probably 100 or 2. No, 200. I'll take that. I mean, I missed the big short this morning, and I had the big long actually. I should have gotten more.
You're all good, man. It's Monday.
Mm-hmm.
The week is young.
Young is weak.
Yeah. And I'm making chicken.
We have nothing up past.
Boy's hungry already, bro. I'm fucking ready to eat.
What's the tick SPY? 100? Is that a good tick number? How's the market looking? Oh, the market's finding its support at 950, 509.50. Just like I said, we were.
What's the
What you
matter,
feeling,
Sharky?
Sharky?
2 hours later. As long as shorts can hold 892, I'll stay in my trade. I would like to see.
Yeah, where'd you sell it at, Nate?
Me, I sold it at 83.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean, I got in a bit early too because my candle by candle didn't flip. I already took profit for 20 points, so I got a half position on, but
yeah.
I see 10-minute CBC is short right now, so as long as they hold that candle high, 92, I'll be okay.
SPY going up.
And buyers are strong enough, right? They're trying to hold that 50 fib. 50 fib goes down to 863 right there.
Lows. Yeah, I hate when this happens because it's like, yeah, technically, I mean, really, they could trade it even as long as it stays under 90, but then you're like, oh, I don't want it to go against me, you know.
Oh, yeah, for sure, exactly.
So you're like, what do I do here?
Yeah. But for me, I'll risk small profit to make larger profit. So as long, I mean, I like the confluence to short, but they are holding this as a potential higher low, right? And it took so long for that CBC to flip, where that it's not really showing strength for me from sellers, right?
I wonder if they bring it up to like a 95 again.
Wait till we go see 101 and 100.
I might get out the rest and then just look to get back in a little higher.
Tesla pushing up, baby. Let's go.
Too.
Let's get in the money, baby.
See how they close this. Yeah, see, they could flip it easily here, though, because it's right on, like, 892.
What to do.
What you say, what you say. And it's all about what you say. This high to this high. So essentially we also have a gap right here. Oh shit, what the fuck? Yeah, we're going to these highs up here. What are these highs? Hold on, hold on, hold on. Put one there and put one here. Those are my highs. This is my low. This is a high. We respect. This is a high. These are my lows. Essentially, I want to get carried into
I'm
one
flat.
level.
I'm gonna be safe.
This is looking
Just
bullish,
wait.
guys. I like this. I like this a lot. I like this. I like BA too. Oh, Amazon with the double bottom. AMD ripping up. Actually, puts might start printing tomorrow. Now that I think about it. Should I play 508 puts? I can collect that premium. That's Amazon. Nah, don't play puts in an uptrend. Don't play puts in an uptrend. I
The
love when
frogs
they
are
do that.
out.
The froggies are out. The froggies are out,
Mm.
chat.
Buyers trying to hold their bid at 876. I'd like to see them drop and close below 863, which is the 61.8 fib. Below that, I want 850.
Push up the C. BA, push up the BA. Oh, yes, Sirski, God motherfucking did. You know who did? God did. You know who fucking did? God did. They're trying to make these Amazon calls really fucking cheap for the boys. I don't know why I put a 502 fucking on May 5th. Retarded. Okay, what I want to see is a 580.
Well, platinum's ripping.
And bouncing here.
Oh no, push up, push up, push up, push up. Don't start doing this woody foo-foo shit now. I know the SPY is gonna have to go down, but I want you to retain this. Retain this. Keep this up while SPY goes down.
Volume's horrendous today. Jeez.
No, it's
We're
not.
at
You just don't
11
know
and a
how to
half
read
now.
it.
We're usually at, I mean, average for the day is 71, but by
Let's
now
go,
it's
boys.
definitely be higher.
We're going up.
11 and a half.
61.8 fib.
Yeah,
Almost
shoot.
there,
Nice
dude.
hold, bud.
Thanks, brother.
Not a
I
little
got
bugger.
impatient.
Let's go on my
No,
1 hour
no stress,
candle.
bro. You took money, right?
Yeah. But it's, we all make mistakes. It's fine.
We should start seeing a bounce here. I'm not
I thought it'd come
going
up
to
just a
fib
little
with you.
higher, and then just roll. But it looks like they're gonna get down to the equal lows here.
See the 30-minute.
Goes in the 60s. Range.
Yeah, 165 is a magnet. I want to see it bounce at 165 with possibly bounce with the VWAP. Tesla fucking ripping. You see how nicely I talked to Tesla and it did exactly what I wanted it to? Like, oh, let's go, boys. We're rippity dippity stickity.
He's like, every time you think you get a second, then it just fucking shoots back up. And then it goes down. It's miserable.
Yeah, this is booty.
0.5 milliliters under limited availability with estimated shortage duration to be determined. That's from the FDA, November Victor Oscar.
This is like a hit and run kind of day.
I believe this is where we break out with Lucid.
From 0.8.
I think I'm gonna buy here a call. Tesla ripping. Rippy dippity stippity. Rippy dippity stippity. What did I say, chat? What did I fucking say? What did I fucking say, chat? And are we holding this long calls? Are we holding this for the long? Are we holding this for the long? Dude, Tesla's about to go up fucking $30. Tesla's about to go up $30. Holy shit, it's so strong. Amazon too. Fuck this shit. I'm buying Amazon. Fuck this. I really like Amazon. For earnings as well. Dude, what if earnings are fucking shit though? I wouldn't say who cares, but it's like, God damn. Where my my doggy is sleeping. He's taking a little nappy. He likes to take naps. I like it. I think I'm gonna buy some calls on Sophie for potential rebounds off of earnings. Cause what the fuck is this shit? I have previous levels. This is buy side 2 all the way back up to upside. We see sellers step in. We're seeing controlled here. Bounce, bounce, bounce. And then I'm expecting another bounce here. Back to the open day range by tomorrow, which is $8. That's easy fucking bread. 750 con. The 750s can go into the money for 60s. Or I should buy 30s to go into 112s. Rippy, stickity, dippity. Nice, Tesla! Alright, no, fuck this. I don't like when I do this. I tend to not control myself. And I tend to, how do I say it? I tend to focus on other relative stocks that don't really matter.
I like calls right now on CELH. I'm not taking them personally. I'm good for the day. No reason to take any more risk. But I like it right here, right now. Off 73.80, $74 here. We got Friday's high. We got my 0.5 fib. Psychological level of 74. I think this is a great spot.
I'm all out of NQ here, break even. I got the same exit as Shark. This is crazy right now, guys. Please be careful if you're trading this.
Let's fucking go,
Yeah,
boys.
especially on
Look
options.
at Tesla! Let's go.
This is a nightmare.
Ah, look, off of the low candle wick, off to the high. Let's go, Tesla. Let's go to 200. Let's go to 200.
This is the perfect option selling
Let's go to Tesla 200.
Yeah,
Tesla 200.
options. What do we got?
Tesla 200. And let's go to BA. Let's go to 170, 180. Let's go to 180. 9 at 180.
Here and just relax.
525 close.
I'm going longer.
525s. 525s going once. 525s going twice. Sold to Sharky. Sold.
I'm going. I think I'm gonna go longer on BA for next week. We got hella.
Give them to somebody else.
We got hella room to retrace. Hella room to retrace, chat. Hella room.
Yeah, you could. I mean, you could probably get away with 512. So I'm not. Yeah.
Should we wait for a little bounce?
Even see 511. I doubt it.
Now let's hold above this consolidation. I really like this consolidation. And I like how we just glided up and made this. The buyers who wanted to buy, they bought and they were just chasing.
Yo.
So since Peakbot does it all automatically, so I don't know.
So let's look at the daily to go long.
What technically
SPX going down.
what I'm doing, but since that's so easy.
A level
But
for
so if I was to
retracement
sell the
for
512 calls,
would be
and
a
then
good
what would I
level
do if I don't think
185
it's
for
going to
next
go
week.
under
The contract's at
507?
90 cents. These are
What would
So
that be called?
wait. You're saying you want it to
95.
stay in between a range?
Right. Is that that's Iron Condor?
Yeah. So you would sell 512 calls. You'd
So I go to call and
buy
I
like the
press sell,
513
right?
calls,
Yeah.
and then you'd sell 507 puts and buy 506 puts. So the
Oh, I have
levels
to
you want it to
buy the
stay in
puts? I
between
have
is
to
your
buy something?
507 and your 512.
Why would I buy
You have to
506?
buy, that's how you basically get the actual like premium amount. You have to like I don't know the exact like terminology or like explanation, but that's how it really works. So once you sell that, let's say okay, so once you sell the 512 calls and then you buy the 513 calls, if the 512 when you sell the 512 calls, if it's 20 cents and you buy the 513 calls and it's 10 cents, you can collect the difference between that 20 minus 10 is 10 cents. And then once you sell the 507 puts, we'll use the same example. Sell the 507 puts and buy the 506 puts, it's another 10 cents. In total, because you're doing that whole entire order together, basically, 10 cents each side of premium that could be collected. Your Iron Condor can make you 20 cents per $100.
Hmm.
You stand or no
Well, that
stand?
doesn't sound very good. Is it?
That's what everyone says, but options selling is more
No, I'm
so.
just saying. I could if I went
nice. We
closer
just broke
to
above it with the
the if
candle
I said
close wick
511
Yeah,
above.
instead
but
of
it's a lot
513, I would
Buy
riskier.
make more
pushing down,
premium,
just
right?
like I said I
Yeah,
wanted
but
it
it's a
to.
lot riskier.
Yeah, no, I understand.
Guys, I told y'all not to buy.
Yeah, Tesla's breaking out to the new highs here.
I told y'all
Looks
to
like
be
it wants
patient. If you
195.
listened, you're amazing and you're an amazing person. But if you didn't listen and you were not
Another
patient
low
enough,
day.
I don't know what to tell you, mate. Whether
Look at this market now.
just
It
to
went back
tell
down
you,
towards the lows. So
work on your patience, work on yourself.
Yeah, I took a
I
short
don't even
here
know if
again on
anybody's
NQ.
watching.
going back to the well.
I know, man. Look at him. He freaking got me.
Damn, kind of
At least they're
sad.
moving this time.
Nobody's watching. Hey, but it's alright, because all this is going to become for the future me,
Shit.
for the future
Yeah, look at
auctionavio,
Meta breaking down.
for the future auctionavio. Boom, there we go. That's what I wanted. Maybe
Hey,
we
but
go
that's it for
touch
me
this
today,
liquidity
guys.
down here,
Pleasure
like I
making
said.
money with you all, and I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Love ya. I'm just gonna
Let's
manage
Catch you
go
this
touch this
trade,
later.
10-minute
liquidity down here,
CVC.
and let's go for this
As
liquidity
long
down
as it
here.
holds
Alright.
that, I'll
See if you
stay.
can
Hey,
get.
Maple. Love you, Maple. See you, Maple.
So
Love ya.
honestly, this would be better for 1-to-1.
That Meta daily chart looks like.
Taking my first trim on NQ right here.
It can be that. It can be bounced from here, or it can be but dude, the sellers look too strong here. This wick. So I want this to be respected. I want this to
Oh,
go up,
dag,
back
coming into a
down, break
place
under
where I
this,
probably
break
have to
down,
try a long
go
scalp
down,
here.
down, this, and break it back up.
I
We got
could
two
see that.
scenarios going on right now.
I don't know. I'm looking at SPY. SPY looks like a waterfall potential. I've been sitting in the same short since like an hour and a half ago, Sharky.
Oh yeah, there's no reason for you to have gotten out.
Yeah.
The 509's opening range low on SPY.
But anyways, good
If it's
morning.
low.
Buenos dias. Jordy, how we doing, baby?
What's up, baby?
What's up, my man?
I'm expecting go to
How's
see
your week
508.
off to?
508.
Good.
Awesome.
I took CELH off the lows there. Rode that thing pretty much to the highs right there at like 75.90. I sold them there.
Ooh, CELH.
Well, yeah, dude. Like,
When are
over
their earnings?
$1,500 day to start the fucking Monday, start the week. I'm fucking stoked. I'm done. I'm
I
chilling
He
slapped
now.
stalked,
a
dude. He
slapped
stalked.
100
He
points
stalked.
short
He
on NQ
stalked,
at the
dude.
open, and now
Let's
I'm on round
go.
2 right here. So we got a good
Round
start to the
2.
week. Got a real good start to the week.
Yeah, I didn't think I was gonna have a start like this. Like I played light too. I mean lighter. I caught a Fucking beautiful move.
We're going down right here.
Cons moved
I
fast.
want to look for a bounce right here.
Made us some money, baby. So we starting the week out good again.
To go fill this
I
liquidity
wanted
right
to
here.
short off this level last night during Globex, but I have a strict don't drink in Globex rule.
Yeah, it's probably
go
a
for
good
this
one.
liquidity.
You know, it's a good one for sure.
I feel like that is a good
We have
rule.
liquidity sitting up here.
So I
for
didn't do
my
it, but I did
calls,
it this morning. Gave me the second opportunity. I caught it down to the gap fill, and then when it came back up, I took it off of InQ off of that 900 area
closing
again.
under this? I'm
For
pretty
those
sure
trading
we are.
QQQ, the 432 like
This liquidity got
83
filled.
to 433 zone. That was my short zone.
And now we're
for those that
making
trade
this
QQQ,
liquidity as a fair value gap.
And then SPY
see already.
510 is just a big level. Had trouble getting over it twice, and now we're coming in.
Let's see this blue. I want to see this kind of turn blue.
Nvidia, we talked about Nvidia
and then
a
I
lot
want to see a
last week.
black one after that to
Sharky
take
was
out these
trading
lows.
it Friday up into that 870, 875 area.
You can see that we broke under with the kind of.
We've had trouble at that same area again today, so that kind of helped me with my short thesis. Some of your other big names kind of fading down a little bit, but probably your range day is still. I mean, we have a wide orb, right? SPY's testing the lower orb right now, but
that's my fair value gap now. Liquidity turns to fair value gap.
But yeah, it's wide orb here.
It's setting up a trade right now for us, guys. So we got the liquidity up here sitting for us. We got the fair value gap right here sitting down here.
I haven't even got to the
So let's wait for the lows. Let's wait for a double bottom, break the structure, baby, and back up to reversal.
I love it, man. Putting in the work.
Buy calls. Perfect, boys. Perfect.
Yep, there it is in my inbox 2 hours ago.
Oh, yeah. Guess what was on there? CELH. Motherfuckers. Gave you the sauce early this morning. Come on.
Shares up 105%.
Oh, yeah. GLD. I don't want to give out all the sauce.
If I was more patient, this was pretty much my short target. Dang.
There's not that many setups, to be honest, this week. I'm like sitting here, I'm going, there's not a whole lot that I like, but I was interested in gold. It's been holding all morning too. Interested to see if we fill that gap to the upside. That'll be a nice little play. And then, Celsius. I might add one more on there. And then Celsius was also part of the long-term setups. Just one of them. Didn't do any more. GLD. It's actually holding really well today. Gold could break out, get over that 216.50. Get going to go fill that gap. I'd like that.
Nice, Tesla. Nice.
I would not be surprised to see, not see any outsized moves anyway. I mean, there's so much coming this week, right? With the big names reporting, with FOMC Wednesday afternoon.
Bro. And I'm thinking
I'm going calls, obviously a pretty big move. Early calls. I mean, we moved down and then we moved even higher.
Next week, they're cheap right now. That's $64. I'm expecting these to go over 700.
I was pointing this out earlier. I'll give one more thing.
They're not for this week. They're not for next week, but they're for other next week.
Here, but it's Monday. We're excited.
Yeah, gosh, Amper.
Jeez.
Really?
You're fine. You're fine. Take up all the time.
In Q or QQQ, if you look at either one, if you go from the highs of March, the all-time high we made, until the fallback that we had Friday before last, we came right to the midpoint. So the halfback retrace of that in Q, for example, is 910. So that's why that's a short zone for me on a higher time frame, right at that 910
We're so
level.
chopping slow this morning. But if you took that little,
give some perspective of where we're
30-40% up here, that I told y'all, easy bucks right there, baby.
Long. I'm with you, Sharky. Yeah. Long.
Get it.
Oh, both of you trying to fade me today. Okay.
Well, I'm being.
No, I don't blame you.
Short. I'm trying to be patient. I actually bought like 100 there and sold. I sold half of it out already at up 12 points.
Yeah, this is just a little. This is just a little pump.
I'm looking at a scalp day. Like that was a great,
Oh, it's a perfect scalp back to, I mean, 65, 70 at least. Right back to where you had support.
Right.
Tesla! Oh my god! Oh my god, let's go, baby.
You know,
Let's
keep it
fucking
tight.
go!
Let it come to. I just like I thought I missed it, and it flashed down one more time and hit me.
I will have to say that Meta's drilling right now. Microsoft doesn't look the greatest, but it's right on 400. But your bigger names aren't doing great, and SPY trying to hold a double bottom in the orb. So that's probably my biggest watch right now is if SPY does break that lower orb.
Tesla's lighting up a scanner right now.
Lighting up a scannel. Oh, a candle. I'm like, what? Let's go! I'm starting to look at SPY swings for a potential bounce on 510. I'm liking these 510 contracts. Possibly go to 380 tomorrow or today. From 130 to 320. That's a good.
Order filled.
Should I go long here? Should I go long here? Nah. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna be patient. But I am. Let's go check out the contracts, how they're looking.
Order filled.
People are getting filled left and right. I like it. 510 swings.
There we go.
Filled. Yeah, I'm out. That's it.
Yep, there you go. We're 70.
Yeah.
Yep. Nice trade, guys.
Nice.
G-Knots, what's up, brother?
What's up, brother?
Oh, what do you got going on?
Nothing.
Did you spread them today? Condor?
Yeah, I spread them.
Hell yeah.
Right at that opening range low on SPY.
I'm expecting a rejection here, guys.
Yeah, that's a perfect double bottom orb bounce. 509.
Actually, yeah, it is the perfect
SPY bounce right there. It's beautiful.
Yeah, and
for
you know with
bottom.
edge fall, the stats are highly unlikely they will break that.
And this is a real strong bull place that we needed to hold.
Remember, Monday possibly is the low of the day. It was last week. This week we had a nice move down there. Who knows? Of course, a lot of data, rest of the week, but
Also
Yeah, I'm
interesting
in runners now.
how much stronger Mondays are in general. Like if you look
Amazon
at that data
looking
on
like
edge
a
for like
bounce.
100,
Test
or 100.
still.
It's like out of 100,
Damn, I want to get
100
in this
days,
though.
like I think
Pounced up, but
67 of them are green on Mondays.
Look at this strong wick.
And speaking of Edgeful, we're going to be hosting a demo today at 4 p.m. Eastern.
We have a fair value gap in between these
going over
guys
the
that
platform.
just left. Am I predicting shit now? Holy shit, and it's actually happening now.
My afternoon plans just changed.
Let's delete this.
What platform? Talk a little bit more about it for me.
Edgeful.
Oh, Edge. Okay.
Edgeful, yeah. It basically is a lot of analytical data. They have indicators, so it's very insightful for that matter. And there's a ton of things that you could use it for.
All right, I get a little more off here.
Good for you, Sharky. Good
nice
for
trade,
you.
Shark.
Nice trade. 30 points.
Shark's the man.
It's a beautiful
Hey,
pop.
it was at the level. We had to go for it.
I'm looking for an Amazon bounce.
On education, but this is a very specific case study of education.
I don't know about a 200 call though.
Will it work? You never know.
Dude, it's because, oh, they're expensive as fuck, too. That's why Amazon's so expensive. 80. $13.
Maybe, just maybe we could see 90. 10 more points. No, get out. Or maybe actually spy back test 510 again. I think we're coming to the end of the road, though, or this is just such a big deciding point area within the next $2 or so.
Yeah, we have to choose a side today, though. Either up or down. If not, we're closing this in range. Which would be catastrophic, because nobody wants to trade in this
Nvidia
range.
is just not acting great at the moment.
Where's Nvidia? What's he doing?
Fair flag.
But as of now, I'm going to wait. And I'm waiting for all this to get swept.
But to be fair, it's like a bear flag inside of a possible bull flag, so.
Oh, wow. I'm surprised she's...
But she's not really, once again, this happened the other day. Like, it didn't really participate when the market kicked up, so watch out here.
It's a great possible right here to 80 on Celsius.
For $8 to $10 billion.
It's a little bit higher than I would want to be for shorts.
That was out earlier.
Oh, look at this. I look away and I look back and he just drops
I almost pushed the button there. I decided to wait, but Nvidia is telling me
it's fine. It's almost
a buy.
Story. Cut this last little bit.
Nice, Tessie. Really look at. I want to get an Amazon for them earnings.
I really don't like my. I don't like the way I traded that short though.
Nothing to do with its results.
8.89% stake in a 13G.
So what we want to do now is look into inside notes and look at what we got going on with the put and call ratio with Amazon.
Well, it's that kind of day, Sharky. I mean, we talked about it. Inside day, you know.
Yeah. I had no real, I mean, I just didn't really have a reason to get out.
Yo, guys, we're up 20% on the portfolio today, boys.
You're just always focusing or trying to.
God is speaking, baby. Let's fucking go.
You know, I always feel.
Okie dokie. So let's dive into some newslettering now. Not newslettering. What the fuck am I saying?
Yeah, he cut out for y'all.
Sorry, I trade a little bit bigger size when I know it's going to be inside day. It's not going to get away from me. I feel comfortable in it. So I know that might sound strange, but
holy shit, my Tesla calls up $200 right now. I could have bought two of them.
QQQ still holding up 431, 60, 50.
Where's Tesla at right now?
Friday.
Holy shit! In the money, give me the money.
Really, all we've done since the open is just ping pong in the upper distribution from Friday on NQ.
Yeah, 60, 90, right? 60, 55, 95. You know, 65 the figure. We had that one pop.
I think tomorrow is the green day for Amazon. Today's the red day for Amazon.
That was the pop I got a little bit short there.
And that's the pop that we're gonna want. That's what we're gonna be looking for. That's what we're gonna want.
We're over on Woofy Space, but I was short at like 33 this morning.
As
so.
well.
Yeah, I got.
Market's predicting
my
84.
X was glitchy, and I was on it, and I
last
got
time
shut
we
down,
gap
and then I
up
went to get back on, and there was too many speakers, so I kind of. They were talking about.
We gapped up.
Tesla, and I want to talk about the market, so I came to see the
previous
boy.
day earnings on the 1 hour. How much percent? How high did it go?
Yeah, they went a little deep into some of those tickers. I was over here like NQ short.
10%, and it opened
really
2% lower than that.
Trying to get the trades in over it, but it was some good information, I guess.
That was good earnings too. So
nice chat about the ETFs after
that
10%
here. It's gonna be around 200, I suppose.
Give Tesla a week. Start shorting it.
Let's just say 2.
It doesn't change that quickly.
And then 2% from that down.
There's a little bit of a gap fill up to right under 200. That would be tasty.
That's kind of expensive though.
I heard some conversation about Uber and Tesla with the self-driving, and the guys are wondering why Uber wasn't lower. I think Uber goes higher on self-driving.
Yeah, 100%.
I think that
we cut out the middleman, right?
Yeah, I think Uber becomes
Guys,
the vision of.
Do we risk $160?
If anything.
Can you imagine like the Uber Eats and DoorDash type of stuff if it was automated?
Yeah. You walk out to the curb and it slides out and you pick it up. You have to walk out your door.
Yeah, just think about if like 3 orders from McDonald's or whatever going to a similar area and they just grab 3 of them and just take three stops, no driver involved.
You're not going to tip a car.
I'm not tipping a car.
It's coming. I mean, that's what the future's going to lie in the next 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. It'll be like that.
Okay, you know what?
You think Tesla's not going to get? I mean, Uber's not going to have self-driving cars? Of course they are.
Exactly, and I think that's why like the FSD thing I think is bigger than some people are willing to give it credit.
I'm going long after we break.
I still think it's very forward looking right now, and that's why
180.14 line. Once we break above
right now for Tesla, just any news is good news because it's been so bad and beat up. But I just think it's still way
Tesla up. Let's fucking go.
That's just my initial thoughts.
That's crazy.
Sometimes you look at a ticker and you just say, "There's not really a solid trade here," and that's the way I look at Tesla, and that's how I've seen Tesla for the last 4 or 5 months, to be honest. Even though people are profiting off of it. Don't get me wrong, but just for my style and the way I like to trade, no trade for me on Tesla.
So many.
I think Tesla is eventually going to go much higher than where it is here. I just think that it's going to take time and a lot of money.
I agree with you,
and I wouldn't buy Uber here, but I wouldn't short it either.
Kind of makes me think of like Airbnb too, because I like Airbnb. I think Airbnb is great, but it's still. It's made a nice move, but there's still like some of the lawsuit stuff still makes me a little bit nervous. These big cities trying to like legislate it out. I think that most have problems up in your area, Frank.
Yeah, it's a nightmare. Most towns do not allow Airbnb. Everyone does it illegally, and they get fined if they get caught like $250, but they make so much money that they're willing to pay those fines. The problem is if you Airbnb and there's a party at the house, like that's what, and it's a shit show and the police come and, that's been the issue in my area down in Long Branch,
getting a double bottom here
on the
on
ocean.
15-minute.
And so they don't allow Airbnbs.
For us, guys.
I know in our area, there's been several towns that have tried to pass either like city ordinances or whatever against them, but they've run into some countersuits actually. Apparently, there's some like Fair Housing Act laws that apply there.
And it's personal property. Like
it's an overreach too. Yeah.
Where they can tell you what you can and can't do with your property.
Yeah.
Wait, for what?
For Airbnb.
And I'm a realtor. Like I do summer rentals. I used to do a lot of them. Like for people high end, but like I think it's ridiculous. I think people should not have to use a realtor. They should just fucking Airbnb it, but they can't because of and then they make the cities, get fees for COs. They make you get a CO
we got the
every
orb
time
change
you
now.
get a new renter in. You know what I mean? So that's like
Start
$180.
maybe looking for a position
times
here.
that by,
Have a fair value
500
gap right
units, and it's real income. but like it's not right.
No, and that's why, I mean, that's kind of go back to the original point there. That's why I still like it. It's just some of those things need to get settled out. I've noticed down here too, like your newer neighborhood developments and stuff, they're like putting it into the covenants. So like they're putting restrictions and covenants on it, and those are getting challenged now too. So it's a lawyer's dream, to be honest, because it's going to be tied up with all kinds of stuff for years, I think. But I still like the model of it. And honestly, when I travel, I look for Airbnbs probably
I look for
more so
Airbnbs over
than
everything.
hotels. Yeah.
Yeah. Dude, I got this Airbnb in Florida, $300 for 5 days. 5 days, and it is a very nice place.
Well,
5 fucking days.
If the thing is, if I can have like my own access instead of like a hotel, and usually I'm gonna have some type of decent kitchen with some stuff in it, like I can actually make breakfast and stuff. I'm gonna stay somewhere for 3 or 4 days and not have to just like eat out every
Where's my
single
little
meal.
phone holder?
I'm gonna do that every
Tesla
day.
new high again.
Sorry, I gotta go to them calls.
Jeez, I'm gonna see if we can. This still gives us something. Still might be a trade there into 200.
I'm telling you, it is. You should have been in it the whole time. You should have been in it the whole time. Half of open. Puts for SPY when I open. Tesla calls. Google puts.
Oh wow, yeah, look at Tesla.
Oh shit, ski. Alright. Looks like we're gonna get bounced back up. No cap.
Q's coming into VWAP here.
This is giving us a good buying opportunity here.
Are you still short at?
Yeah, you know
Why
how
are they
I like
going short?
to
I
trade
don't
around the
understand
one.
why are they going short in this?
If I get a good runner like way up high.
I'm sure. I just got short a little here.
I'm tempted to add, like add one in and scalp around it, but
we're going back up to the high day.
I've had a pretty solid morning, so no need to push the gas too much.
Me seeing that, I should have taken that.
Especially as slow and choppy as it is, I don't know that we're gonna get just a big move anywhere. If we do, I got some exposure to it.
Actually, yeah. I'm gonna just wait, be patient. We don't know if we're gonna get any exposure to the upside or downside move with this day range.
Order filled.
But we are looking like we're gonna push up.
And on the other side of the coin, if you're like if you were like Sharky and Frankie, you got long a while ago, the 850 area. I mean,
on coin,
there's no reason to really if you have a runner, there's no reason to get out of it really yet. But you've got VWAP to deal with here, then the figure, and then that level at 910 that's been tough.
Been tough, huh? Been tough. Went to earnings or not?
Paper's going to be going live with me here, and
Coin's going to rip.
If you want to join us for the Miss Cleo and all the other info.
280.
Cleo.
I'm in.
Coin busy.
Oh, Jordy.
Order filled.
Jordy.
Jordan.
Order filled.
You have to go tag him on his Twitch stream, so pay attention.
How much much did we gap up? 165.
Order filled. Order filled.
16%. So it'll be 16% from now. Oh yeah, that's
order filled.
Yeah, no, I can't do that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Contracts are way too.
Pretty tempting right here too.
Jordan.
Sharky, what's up?
No, I was trying to get your attention because I think you would appreciate this. I hit one of my best. I was at the range yesterday. I did over 200 yards with the 4-iron.
Oh, let's go. Those are not easy to hit, bro.
Yeah,
Those
I think. I mean, I just started really. I don't really play golf.
No, it's okay. Yeah, dude.
So I thought that was pretty good.
Dude, that is pretty good. Don't even
200 for on an iron.
Yeah, don't even worry about like keeping score, or even going and playing a game yet.
I know,
like you don't even got to.
No, of course not. No.
Just
But,
get the hang of your club.
Yeah, of course,
Yeah, dude, that's awesome. Yeah, start to get
your
yardage.
I love that 4-iron, especially in the fairway. If you're like on a par 5,
and it's a hard club, Sharky. That's a hard club, dude. Good on you for even being able to fucking hit it, dude. Seriously, I couldn't hit my 4-iron for the first week and a half of me going every single day. I couldn't figure it out, but now I got it. I've been having all this time. I've been having trouble with my 3-wood and my hybrid, and I don't know what it is. I just figured it out. I don't know what the fuck I did.
I like the 3-wood. I suck with the driver.
Dude, 3-wood, I got way better at. I don't know what happened. I just started winging them because it's hard on 3-wood. You got to hit off the deck. You can't hit the 3-wood off the tee. You got to hit it off the deck, and that makes it a lot harder.
The deck.
Longest I've hit on a driver. Well, the fence at the range I go to is like 275, 280, and I've hit the fence a few times. So.
Damn, really?
That's
nasty.
Oh yeah, baby, she's nasty. I don't know though. Like fence is fence is 275, so I'd say 275. I've hit some decent drives out on the range, but out on the actual course, but I doubt they were over that unless the wind was helping me with my carry a bit.
Yeah, you're down one of those holes that like tees off up high.
Yeah, over the cliffs.
You get a little extra carry on it.
Yeah. I mean, that's the only time I bet, like, I probably hit farther than that, which I probably still didn't. I got a good driver, though, that really does, like, most of the work for me, which is nice. I mean, most golf clubs do that anyway, obviously, but
it has a long shaft?
Yeah, I really don't have to try hard. I just fucking... Like, and then that's what's nice. Like, when I do actually put some power into it, she fucking goes. She goes. The big, she's one of the Big Bertha models.
Like I said, Sophie Cars.
Good beginner club, too. Yeah, Big Bertha. Those are good beginner clubs for
all right, boys. I'll be back.
Sounds good.
Right,
by the way.
You can't hate on the berth.
Can't hate on the berth, baby. Never. By the way, if you picked up some longs on CELH... And I was screaming about it off this 0.5 fib. It's looking fucking spicy now. Looking beautiful. Shout out to anybody that's long.
Vamos!
Yeah, those drivers have so much technology these days that
I know.
You just have a solid good
Jesus
swing.
Christ.
You're gonna hit it nicely. My problem is when, like you said, if I try to put some extra power into it, I usually crush it, but it ends up on like hole 3 instead of whatever hole I'm on.
Yeah. Mine's nice too. You just have the Allen key. You want more loft? Fucking slide the weight down. Get more loft. You want more fucking drive? You fucking slide that weight up, baby. Easy. I keep it in the middle. I like to be kind of in the middle right there. Just like normal driver status. But
the hardest thing for me to learn was to not just swing as hard as I could.
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Once I got a controlled swing on the drive, it was my entire like experience with golf got better.
Yeah, another big thing for me too. I mean, it's hard to talk about it when you're not like standing next to each other, like showing, but like reaching for that ball. For one, like having it off your front foot, like that's just mandatory. Like I remember when I first started, I wasn't even doing that. Got to have it off the front foot, right behind. And then, big thing for me was making sure I reach for it more than like in irons. Irons, I feel like are more like at your side.
Yeah, so you got to reach with the driver.
Bro, if you're not reaching with your driver, it's not gonna work. You're not gonna hit it as well. I guarantee it. Like you gotta get that reach. You gotta stretch those arms out. I mean, basically lock them. Honestly, that's what I do, and I've so much better on. That goes for my 3-wood, hybrid, and driver. All three just stretching out like that. So much better.
Locking those arms out like way
Absolutely.
up high and keeping like a wider
Yeah.
swing through. But basically getting rid of everything baseball taught me.
Yeah.
Oh
literally.
yes, and that's my issue. Well, that
That's
was
another
my,
thing.
well,
Yeah, because baseball
Oh my
drops my
God,
back shoulder. So when I back swing, I'll open my back shoulder up instead of keeping everything in line, and that was fucking me for a while. So like keeping your arms locked out prevents me from doing that a lot more, which is nice. But yeah, we're getting better, baby. That's all I care about. I just want to get 1% better every day, and we doing it. I'm learning, figuring things out. I'm starting to play like by myself too. I'll go play like 9 by myself now. I'm comfortable doing that. Feels good. At first, it's kind of scary, you know? Especially, you don't want to get paired with somebody that's like really good. You know what I mean? It feels like fuck. I'm just like...
Yeah, you're just like, sorry, I'm a piece of shit.
Yeah, sorry, I'm a piece of shit, but we're going to have a good time. I promise. I'll fucking...
Microsoft
experiments
a bunch of shit with media.
That happened to me one time. I was like, I'm going to go early in the morning. It's cool outside.
4:15 cost
but
cheap.
I'm going to go early in the morning before too many people get out there. And I got paired with like some older guys that play like every morning.
Dude, but...
And I think about hole 9. Good. I was like, you guys go ahead on the back 9. I'm gonna grab some water, and I just left.
Yeah. That's why I like to go at like 1:30 on a fucking Tuesday. Everybody's at work. Nobody's even there. I'm this is my kind of speed. Fuck the Saturday morning when
I'll see you later, boys.
Yeah.
That's what M pulled. The see you later.
He pulled the Irish goodbye on the golf.
Yeah, I did the
fucking R.
I pulled the water break one.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go to the clubhouse. Give me some water.
Hey boys, I'm going to get a beer. You want one?
Yeah,
just
I'll
leave.
I'll catch up with you guys.
Oh shit.
You guys have a good one.
Next thing you know, they're on hole 11. I'm driving by like, oh, I had a phone call. Sorry, guys.
Yeah, my bad. Fuck.
I think they were happy. I think it was a mutual.
It was a mutual thing.
It was a mutual thing.
Yeah.
It was a mutual. Wow, this guy fucking stinks.
Yeah, I'm glad he fucking dipped out.
Well, and also, you know how like those older like golf everyday guys, like they don't hit it far. They just consistent down the middle.
Yeah, they're just consistent with it.
You know, go up to. They play really slow too. Like for me.
Vamos!
And so I'm like, okay.
Broke into this orb.
And then they're so consistent. They're like waiting on me to go find a ball in the rough somewhere or out in the trees.
We get rejected off his open orb. We're gonna go chase down.
Sorry, fellas.
Look at Sharky. Everybody want to go see Sharky's pretty face? You better go to Paper Games live stream right now. He's live. You're gonna go see Sharky's. Sharky's a stud over there.
Oh, Sharky's always a stud. It's unbelievable. Yeah. I don't know how he does it.
I like his OnlyFans better personally, but
dude, that thing is just unbelievable.
I mean, $100 a month was a little steep, but I think it's worth it.
Dude, no, it's worth it because you get the setups too.
Listen, you get $200 a month for Discord,
because of AMD earnings.
Seriously.
Hey, it's like half off, right?
Yeah.
Damn, bro.
Got him.
What a slow Monday. Nice move on SPY here. A whole dollar off that lower orb hold, that double bottom.
A whole dollar holla. You. CELH needs some more volume, but holding the levels, looking decent.
Amp, you like that one or no?
Fuck Bucker, dude, this fucking guy. Oh shit. Yeah, this guy's too funny, bro.
Microsoft calls.
I owe homie a drink whenever we gotta meet in person. This guy's too funny.
It's crazy how my bucket list travel stuff is like completely switched around based on like the people I've met on here.
I know, for real.
Like I literally like like, I mean, I have like natural travel plans where I have to go back home every so often and stuff. But I'm like, when I do that, I'm like, okay, could I take like 2-3 days to like fly through somewhere else?
Dude,
and
none of us
stop
will
through
ever be
somewhere?
stranded either. Like, real talk, none of us
For
will like
real.
really ever be stranded. Like, if we, God forbid, we were stuck in some city we didn't know, I bet you we could post on Twitter and somebody would be like, "Yo, I fucking got you, dog. Come
Yeah.
through. I'll cook for you." I already know it, bro. I've already had plenty of people hit me up. They're like, "Yo, you stay with me." I'm like, "All right, fuck yeah."
Just put out the bat signal, like, guys, my flight got canceled in Dallas tonight.
It's just, dude, you just look up in the midnight and you just see the Ace the Kid logo in the sky. Just fucking looking down at you, bro, with the ace cards in his hand. Oh my god, how
with the
funny.
sunglasses on.
Dude, that shit would be so funny. Oh my gosh. Boys, I'm in need of assistance.
That's awesome.
Need some help. Oh my god, Futbucker, you're a stud, dude. This guy. He's a dude. How do you grow a fucking mustache like that? Holy shit. Dude.
I think you're missing one thing here.
Holy
we know
shit.
a guy who's got the tickler.
Dude, look at this guy. Yeah, he's got the tickler for sure.
No. You know who I'm talking about.
Just know if you have a fairly large mustache and a woman comes up to you and asks if you can tickle her, it's not for like the normal reason you think. I promise. It's a little more gnarly than you think. That shit's too funny.
Amazon making a move now.
That's the magic tickler right there. Go Celsius. Looking good. Shout out to the people that got the dip by. Very nice. It's going to be another day to sit out and tan. I'll probably be wrapping up this stream early again today. Just hang out on Spaces. The answer, if she asks me if it tickles, is please suffocate me. I think that's valid for sure. That's 100% valid. I think that works.
I caught the back end of whatever that was. All I heard was "please suffocate me."
After you got a mustache, some chick comes up and asks if you can tickle her, and he just.
There's a guy named Amp.
Yeah, M's got the woogie tickler, huh? Sheesh.
Little chin curtain.
Little chin curtain.
It's crazy how many people. It's crazy how many people didn't even realize like there's a picture of me on my Twitter profile too. Like the banner or whatever.
Fucking stud.
I'm no nuts though. I can't just walk around a parking lot looking like fire with the AirPods in, giving a little market update in the middle of the day.
Oh yeah.
On business.
On business. People are like, who is this guy, dude? What is he even doing?
I'm having trouble with that 510 area. Trying to get through VWAP. Qs are doing okay. Nvidia looks actually kind of decent here.
Vamos! Oh my god!
Nvidia. See if we don't get a little rejection here at the golden retrace. La da 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 da. We are slow. Market is slow. The market is slow.
Yeah, very.
The market is slow. Da 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 da. What a classic song.
Very slow.
We have essentially a tight spot for this to push up all the way to
What's for lunch, Jordy?
424. I think I'm gonna buy 2 contracts for 510, $60 each.
You need Celsius to reclaim that 75, and then things are looking
200.
real good. That's hedge pressure for today.
It's looking pretty juicy here now.
I would love to have a Celsius for lunch right
At the
now.
same time, Microsoft dropped. Microsoft dropped for a fucking reason. Tesla, pussy. What the fuck just happened?
Alright, SPY right at my level, 510.13. QQQ a little below it, but
Nice.
Nvidia's trying to get out of that little downtrend.
Yeah, we broke into this orb, into this first TP. Orb.
Google doesn't look great. Meta doesn't look great still.
Oh yeah, because we gotta go back to 165. From
Tesla's still going.
From Microsoft, I'm thinking I'm gonna buy, or should I buy a 422 for it can be in the money?
What's Tesla at?
Because that would be in the money. That would be
197,
that'd be a
198 almost.
Damn.
That'd be $80 to a band.
Like as you said, that it jumped up like 20 cents. 197.93 was the high it just made in this current candle.
1.5.
Got a feeling there's going to be a lot of people waiting at 199 to slap that, if it gets there. See if NQ rejects this golden retracement of the day here at 903. Maybe comes back down to the 90 area. For anybody trying to get a little scalp in.
Microsoft is looking beautiful, setting up. I gotta eat. I gotta deep to sleep. I gotta suck this dick because I gotta fuck this beep. My butter beep pop 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 beep pop. Day trading all motherfucking day, baby.
Who wants a mustache ride? I just saw that tweet you pinned up there. That is a nice one. Got those handles.
Who wants a mustache?
I want fun. I want fun. Oh, Super Troopers.
I think I'm gonna enter here.
I attempted to short ES right here for
I just don't understand why
possible
we
trade.
decided to gap down. It's weird. And if the sell pressure is gonna keep being like that, but then I don't want to enter.
Damn, Tesla. Oh, 1 penny short of 198.
Really debating if I should get in here or not. Because this could really, really, really pay off. Nice Tesla.
Oh, I was about to ask where Casey was at today, and I just remembered. Snip, snip.
Snippety, snippety.
Tesla, let's go! BA, come on, push up, push up. Dude, I don't know if I'll... We're down $5. It's low-key a sale. I think it's overpriced. Microsoft. Holy shit, we're up 31% on my portfolio today, guys. These are huge gains. Massive. Holy shit. Where's it going to? Essentially, I think it wants to go to 120 by the end of this week. Because it's following this big down. Right here, it's following this big gap. Look where we at. It's following this now. 105. Let's go hit 105. If we break over 105, it's going to be most likely 220 this week. But, dude, Tesla's showing real strength. Real hardcore strength. We gotta get over this 200 though. $220 is already up 380 from 70 this morning. Dude, can we go to fucking... Dude, what if we go to fucking 220 this week? On my SPY call. 2K. 4K. Oh, wait. 4K. Dude, that's crazy. I want half of this buy side liquidity to at least get filled. So we have like
Wait, Tesla.
a dollar more to go down.
Tesla is ripping.
Yeah, it just won't stop.
It won't stop. It won't drop.
Rippy.
Rippity dippity stippity. Sophie down to Lucid very
There was a tweet from Elon a while ago that was interesting. It wasn't about Tesla, it was about X video. I don't know if y'all saw that. It was kind of just a little cryptic video thing that he put out. Like XTV or whatever. That's interesting.
No, I
didn't see.
Yeah, go look at his timeline. It was, I don't know what it could be, but it's interesting. Well, if you shorted the golden retrace, there's a nice 10-point little drop down.
Elon Musk. Oh, that is. Don't mess. There's gonna be Cybertrucks. There's gonna be Cybertrucks with police Cybertrucks. That's gonna be. You can see that's gonna be the logo for the Texas. Don't mess with Tesla and like the star is Texas. Tesla Cybertrucks.
Well, boys, I just logged off the stream at
Tesla
fucking before 9:30. That's unheard of.
Cop
I don't think I've
cars
ever done
coming.
that. That means I'm getting my suntan on.
What kind of day we're having right now?
You know, time to change into my Mexico fit. Get some suntanning going.
Oh, you gotta get an outdoor webcam.
I know. I need to do like
kind of cool.
A little IRL stream. I think when I'm in
I'm trimming in queue here, by the way.
Well, okay, so when I go to Tennessee,
This is
I
a
may
scout.
or may
I'm
not make
yet,
a little
but
impulsive
I want this
trip
to break up
from Tennessee and go
above.
straight to the Bahamas.
Push up.
So if I do that,
Maybe
I'm doing
answer.
some IRL streams in
So
the
I'm gonna
fucking
wait
Bahamas
for that. Be
sure.
patient. Tesla. So strong.
Dude, it's so cheap.
They hold Tesla down enough. Let her fucking rip. Let her storm into the storm of
I
gods.
was shocked. I was looking at plane flights the other day, and they're actually not bad right now, comparatively. Even with oil up as bad as it is.
Where's the UAL at? That's kind of a stock that I care about. Back at its orb. So
when you going to Nashville?
July 25th is when I fly out. I'm gonna stay there till like April 3rd or so, and then if I do go to Bahamas, I'm leaving. I'm just gonna leave from there and go straight to the Bahamas, and then I'll go back to Tennessee, and then I'll go back to Cali from there. That'll be a move if I do that.
Damn, bro.
Me and my friend were just like looking at the flights last night. We were like, yeah. I was like, do you want to go? Like, yeah. I'm like, do you want to go? I'm like, yeah.
Yeah, dude.
I was like, I'll buy the tickets right now.
Go?
I got it fucking handled. I'll buy the tickets right now. Let's go. So I'm gonna show up with just 2 tickets, ready to go, baby.
Yo, nothing's moving, bro.
How lit would that be?
UAL's potential mover, but
sip a Bahama mama in the sand.
A Bahama mama with a Bahama mama.
Dude, it's like some frozen fucking margarita or some shit. That shit gets you cranked.
I used to bartend. That was one of the most popular drinks that we
So
had because it was a Mexican restaurant. Oh, Bahama mama. People that didn't want a margarita, that was the go-to.
That was, yeah, it's like the go-to.
God, motherfucking did.
They some real Bahama
Such a
mamas when you
tropical
get them
drink.
from the Bahamas. Shit.
God, I really did, man.
Get you crazy.
Bahama mama.
Just keep pushing, Tesla. Keep pushing. Don't be scared of these fools. Keep pushing. Get over that 200. That 200
Can't believe I'm
crucial.
cleaning up the stream setup right now. What?
If we use
so
that 200 as a magnet,
like
that is perfectly fine. But I
love that.
That should be a telltale sign to people out there. Like if you're sitting here trying to like really actively
you
trade
need to fucking
this,
reevaluate.
You need to push the brakes. Push the
brakes or push the buttons. Push the options buttons that buy you more time. Simple as that.
Holy shit. Okay.
Yeah, this is your classic range.
Shitting and chop is not
low volume.
It's not horrible as long as if you have mad time on those contracts, you're not even worried about it. But if you're trying to sit with some theta burning cons right now, Knots is just taking your money because he's spreading them right now. So
spreading.
Yeah,
he's taking all your money, man. Don't let him do it.
Give me the money.
I don't want to take anyone's money.
Bender's been short since this morning. School baby.
Damn. That's a $100 bill right there.
Right the highway, right, boy.
14.
Alright. It's time for shorts.
I would need more time though.
And I put him out a little bit at like 02 and covered him at like 97.
Yeah, I added one
there.
I added one at 03 and took it off at whatever,
Nice.
91 or so, 90.
Yeah, but it's hard. It's this acts like it wants to go a little higher.
Yeah, I mean,
BA
NVIDIA
ripping.
looks like it wants to go higher.
Let's go,
SPY
BA.
held perfectly, back test EMA9 and VWAP.
Y'all are all newbies.
This is my key level right here for SPY to get over. We're coming into that same area on ES, the 48 to 50.
Dude, I really gotta change the camera angle. Where should I put it?
Here they go. They're going to take out the shorts here. Probably, right?
Or grab them.
For
Either one.
NQ. Oh, you think they might go a little higher?
No, I'm thinking they might have just grabbed some shorts right there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This is the short. This is the time to short.
Yeah, this is your short.
Close this. I'm closing and reopening because it fucked up. And I have to reopen Twitter again. Let me in there. SPY push back up. Morning like it wants to go higher. Actually, what is this space?
Interpretation on this one.
Okay, this was last week.
Alright, I'm not doing this shit. I don't know what the fuck he's on. Nice, BA! Where's Tesla? Where's Tesla? Where's Tesla? Oh, we're getting a bounce back from TS I'm predicting. Yeah, a little bounce back. But let's go get that 200 though. Let's go reach the 200 area. Same thing for SPY. Beautiful. Catch another day the lows. Head and shoulders. Upside down head and shoulders. I want Microsoft to start pushing out. AMD still at open range. Google, I want this to go down to at least 165 before I start looking to buy. Let's go back to SPY. SPY ripping. SPY fucking ripping. And I told you how to buy calls. I told you how to buy calls, and I told you how to hold them. You got rewarded if you holded them. And if you didn't, well, you didn't. Dude, where are the spaces at? Whoa, 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 whoa.
A little chillier than I thought it was.
Whoa, I don't want to get banned. I don't want to get banned. I don't want to get banned. Whoops,
I was
sorry,
ready
sorry.
to just lay out on the boat, man.
Let's go, BA! Oh, no,
Another
don't close,
30 minutes, another hour. We'll be alright.
Tesla. Come on, Tesla.
Celsius still looking decent. Kind of a slow grind up, though, from that retest of the fib, so. Still better than the fucking market's doing.
Alright, come on, Tesla. Give me that high day.
Really hadn't even looked around in a while. I know PayPal was doing well a while ago.
Yeah, PayPal had some moves. M-Phase had a good move from the lows, too.
IWM.
Anything else just standing out? I don't think so.
IWM.
Oh, what? Oh, we missed this. BA. Absolute face ripper today.
I told y'all. Y'all are late.
I noticed it was up nice early, but I hadn't looked at it
Dude,
since
we missed that.
probably
It's up
an hour or two ago.
Oh, I thought that was $10 for a second. I was like, no way. It's up like
it's like
$5.
I've been in it. I've been in it, chat. Telling them. I'm trying to tell them.
That's solid.
202.
Nothing really other. I mean, Tesla we've already talked about, but other than that, nothing's really just having a big. Small caps are doing well, 1%. I don't see anything else just having a massive day though.
Yeah.
I mean, BA, that's a good one. Moderna is up 3% today. Pretty much all your sectors are green other than XLC.
Amazon's gonna go back up.
Even though it hadn't done anything since open, but just fade a little bit, but it's still up 3%.
Yeah.
BA's a ripper. She said, I'm a con, I'm a flipper. Oh, that's just gonna go back to 205. I mean 202. You think by today or tomorrow? Cause today we're up what? $2, 1%.
To be honest, by now I would have signed off spaces too, but we got some spaces to do here in like an hour and a half or so, so I gotta stay on. But I mean, that
This
should
can be a
just
complete
really
ripper,
again
free
tell
money
you
right
if you're
here.
in the audience and you're sitting there
Looks so
scrounging for
bullish.
trades. I mean, remember, it's okay to sit out. There's no rush. The market's always here. There's
Yes.
always other opportunities, and when there's a day where there's not really many opportunities, you're risking your money for no fucking reason. And
Yes, I
I don't know.
agree.
Every time you want to
One,
degen and shit, just think about like I know people got some big goals, especially with trading. Like, if you've ever thought you want to fucking buy your mom a house because of trading, maybe
Holy
think about that. Think about
moly.
doing that before you sit there and degen into a play into a 0 day when there's
Look
no
what we
fucking
got, boys.
opportunities.
Just what we wanted. Excellent.
Think about you're putting
yeah,
yourself a step
so
back from what you want to give your mother, what you want to give your family member, what you want to give whoever around you.
yeah,
You're taking a step backwards
there's
if you're doing that right now. So
Facts,
think
facts.
about that.
no reason to take a high risk trade
Exactly.
Dude, this
without a
IWM
setup.
calls are gonna
And
print
you
for
know, one thing
tomorrow
to go a
for
step further on
202.
that, even I'm pretty much always on
I'm
here all
guessing these are
day
gonna end at
anyway. Just watch. I mean, I'm not trading actively a lot of times, but I'm just
Yeah.
watching. But you'll notice, like, look at some of your favorite traders that you follow, or like the guys that we trade with a lot. Either whether it's in Discord or whether it's on here on Spaces. Notice how quiet it is today. A lot of people aren't actively,
Look at it's just
the
me,
traders
you,
that you
Frank, and
follow
Nas up
probably
here.
aren't really doing it. Yeah. I mean, Paper's doing his
Yeah.
weekly outlook. I doubt he's taking many trades today. Sharky, he'd always got the future ones on a little bit here and there, but other than that, most of your
Tesla's gonna
options
go back
traders, you're
down
not
to
hearing a whole lot of call outs,
192.
a whole lot of trades from them. That should tell you something too, right? I mean, that was one of the things I learned was like I don't always have to be looking for or finding a trade. And you'll notice that some of these really good traders, they get real quiet on slow days where there's not much opportunity because they've learned the lesson that a lot of us have learned it the hard way, right, Jordy?
Absolutely, man.
So yeah, keep that in mind too. Use that as a sentiment gauge when you see that, a lot of your favorite traders aren't doing a whole lot, aren't posting much, talking much, trading much. That should be a little sentiment check for you as well. Like, hey, there's probably not a lot of opportunity right now.
Yep. Yep.
Oh my lord! Amazon.
This looks like Globex right now.
Yeah, it's not good.
This is what overnight Asia trading looks like.
It's ridiculous.
That's why I never really do it.
Only when there's those big events, huh? Like when the missiles started hitting. I mean,
Oh
that was
When
time to
you
trade,
get
motherfucker. Get up.
Yeah. Wake up.
Wake up.
Go to the setup. Fired up.
Dude, that was so funny. We're on Spaces and Cam just wakes up, rolls over out of bed, and literally.
He's like, "What the hell's going on?"
He's like, "Why are you guys live? I'm waking up. It's like 5 a.m. here." Yeah, motherfucker, we trading. Jeez. I still wish we were able to run a Spaces 24/7. I would never end it. The Spaces would go on all day.
They would just let you pass it off.
She's a ripper. They call her.
Just let you pass it off. It would be so much better.
I would literally never stop, bro. Pass it off to Cam whenever. Over the weekends, we're just talking setups. Dude, I'd never stop. We'd be fucking live 24/7. Sick. Come on, Elon. I want to do it, bro.
21.
It does sound fun, man.
I'm about to make a video on how 21 is the most savage indicator out there. I just want to have that playing in the background the whole time.
When in doubt, bro.
Let's just take a look at the.
When in doubt, follow the trend. Buy the dip on the 5-minute 21 or the 15-minute 9. Like when I'm struggling, I'm just like, okay, wait till we trend day and do that. Short the pop off 15-minute 9. Buy the dip off 15-minute 9. When I'm struggling, I just step back and that's all I do, and it saves me.
One of my favorite trade setups is when when you have been going like in one direction, or you get a big pop or something, and then you come back underneath that 21, or the 5-minute, or the 5-minute 21, or your 15-minute 9, and reject it from like the underside and get short. Oh, I love it, because that's a trigger for a lot of people to take profits. That's one of my favorite trades. $21. Can you do something for me?
Come on, son. Get banging, bro. I'm
trying to get 10.
Yeah, dude, that wind just needs to go down and it'll be perfect. Come on. Fuck. It's a beautiful day.
I like how the orbit's right here in the middle.
Speaking of, my shorts are still alive here off of that same level.
Your shorts won't be alive after this bounce.
Q back to the 21 and VWAP.
Can you do some for me? If we go in the money rate today, I'm selling for profit.
Ooh,
I
buyers.
do not care what anybody says.
Look at that.
What is happening? Dude, Adobe long right now looks kind of good. Take a look at Adobe right here, man. It's still been choppy today, but it kind of looks like it's setting up to go test those highs.
That's an interesting little
right off pre-market low right there. It's still in the range, so it's still risky, but
I was watching like the 4-hour and the daily.
Yeah.
The 4-hour, I like the setup a little bit better. It looks like it wants to get a little pop. I'd love for it to go back up to like 490s, 500. I like that name. I've traded it some. It's gotten beat up twice over the last 2 months, pretty bad. But to me, it's one of those names that, like, I don't know. They've had some negative press and the AI stuff,
For sure.
Adobe's so integrated into so much business stuff.
Seriously, yeah.
I mean, when you think of like a PDF file, you think of Adobe.
Absolutely.
You don't even think of PDF. Like you don't think like, I don't know. I don't use anything else. I never have for PDFs.
Yeah, with you.
I mean, yeah, maybe even like on an iPhone, like I'll download the Microsoft Office stuff if I want to, or like not the Microsoft Office, but the like I don't like the PDF viewer on iPhone.
Yeah.
I would rather like try to pull it open in Adobe if I can. That was when I had a Samsung for a couple years. I only switched back to iPhone for the iMessage and FaceTime with my family because obviously the distance now. But if not, business wise, I like Samsung way better because it does have like the Microsoft Office stuff all on it, and Adobe. I use Adobe so much in my business though because we have so much PDFs and files to go through.
Yeah.
And it's so integrated into so many businesses out there. I mean,
Yeah, I hold it.
You get
I
an
hold it
email,
long
it
term.
comes as an attachment.
I like it. I haven't bought in a while though. I forget what my average is, to be honest. CELH right now
I don't know
looking
much
good.
about their
Giving another dip buy to that fib, $74. That fib in Friday's high. Making a higher low.
I don't know much about the AI with Adobe, but I noticed like the other day when I opened an attachment, it had AI assistant up in the top corner of my Adobe program, but I don't know what it does. If it could summarize though, I could just be like, "Hey Adobe,
yeah, for real,
give me the cliff notes of this.
Give me the cliff notes."
Shout out to Cliff Notes, man. That saved a lot of grades back in the day.
Oh, dude, yeah. I used to have this for math. I used to just, because math got to a point where I was like, dude, I'm not doing this. You can fuck off. So I forgot what app it was, but it was this app where you line it up and you like take a photo and it just does all the problems for you and tells you everything you need to, because you know how like the teachers be like, we need full answers. Okay, all right, I'll give you a full answer then. Let me take this screenshot real quick and I'll fucking give you your full answer, no problem. I think
I'd love to go back to
after like 8th grade, I didn't do a single math problem. 7th grade. Fuck that, bro. Why?
I'd love to go back to every math teacher in high school that said, you know, you got to learn how to do it on paper because you're not going to have a calculator in your pocket the rest of your life, and just throw an iPhone right at their face. That's what I
just want to pull up next to my old Spanish teacher in my fucking Lambo one day. because she told me to.
Your
Bro,
Spanish teacher.
To my face, bro. Spanish teacher too. Like, fuck you, bitch. She told me I would never be anything in life, bro. To my face, in front of the whole class, said, Jordan, you're never gonna be anything. You're so, because I was so focused on skating at the time too. They're like, you wanna skip class
So
for
skater.
skateboard contests? I'm like, damn right, it's fucking teaching me more than you are. Yeah. God, I wish I had the mindset and the attitude I do now back in high school. Oh my God.
For real, dude.
I would not give a fuck.
But your head start on most people in this game is still amazing, dude. You're in a great spot.
Yeah, that shit irked me, bro. I was so mad. I left that class heated. I actually never went back to regular school after that day. I switched to independent studies.
You just
No,
dropped
literally,
out.
after that day,
Just
fuck
school.
I left.
Fuck Spanish.
Yeah, because I left high school in 9th grade. I mean, I didn't leave high school. I didn't drop out. Like, I went to a different school where I could do independent studies, which is basically I would show up for one day every week for 1 hour. I'd do the work myself.
Like a homeschool type of deal?
Yeah, I'd show up. She'd check my work. She'd give me more work to do the next week, and easy. Boom.
So it was basically like what everyone had during COVID.
Yeah, I just had it my whole fucking 4 years.
You just hit it early. I know, like, my senior year of high school, we had like a bunch of those concurrent programs or whatever you could do with like the local college, and so like I only had like 3 classes that I went to my entire senior year. So I'd just go for like half the day, and then like one night a week I had a college class to go to. I just chilled that entire senior year.
For real.
That was the move.
I was like, well, you want to tell me that? I'll fucking never be in your class again then later. It was so funny, too, because, like, I thought my parents were going to be weird about it. Dude, my parents were like, we've been waiting for you to switch to independent studies. I'm like, what? Why didn't you tell me? I would have done this shit earlier. What?
That's cool. I didn't even know that was an option.
Yeah, bro.
That's
not for...
Which, I mean, I've been out of school for a while, but that's really cool. And for kids, like, specialize, like, if you're trying to specialize in something, whether it be, you know, a sport or a trade or whatever, you know, trying to specialize in something, that's such a good option. Because, like, I know in other countries, especially, that's like these soccer players, for example. That's basically what they do. They go to these like academies and they have like, you know, kind of the school stuff, but their entire thing is focused on developing them into a pro soccer player.
You gotta let the kids dream a bit, you know?
Okay.
Don't let the kids dream.
Don't clip that chat.
And I learned more Spanish at the job I went and got after switching to independent studies than I ever did in her class. So it was a good move, that's for sure.
But I went to Costa Rica for a study abroad for 1 month in the summer because I couldn't do a semester when I was in college because of sports or whatever. But I could do the summer program for a month. I went to Costa Rica and we lived with. We did 4 weeks total, so we lived with one family for 2 weeks, like in an urban environment, and then like each of us had our own family though. So like, you know, some study abroads they put you like in dorms or whatever, but like we actually had to live with a family, like just you and a family. And then we had like 4 hours worth of class. I learned more in that month than I've learned in like 3-4 years. And I had like, you know, high level Spanish classes even in high school and into college. I learned more in 1 month than I did in 5 to 6 years at least of classes, just from being in it and having to use it.
Yep.
Just like you with the job thing. I mean, like you learn so much more like in the real life.
Seriously, man.
Like scenarios.
Someone said, should they teach trading in high school? I don't necessarily think they should teach trading, but at least investing and learning how to invest. And I should know how to write a check out of high school. I should know how to write a fucking check. My mom taught me how to write a check, you know? Like, not school.
Yeah. So I agree with, so one thing, they should teach just like basic finance and tax.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened here, mate? Okay, so it's this one. Give me my account back. I don't know why it does that. It's just so lame. Great. Now the call is not gonna appear. I guess it will.
I got word that apparently personal finance electives do not look good on college applications. Well, fuck college, bro.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's crazy. It may in non-college kids don't take economic. Take ceramics.
No. If your grades in ACT or SAT are high enough, they're not really going to be that worried about if you took a personal finance
I feel like
class
they'd
or if you
want
took
you.
home
I feel like
ec
a
or
college
whatever.
would want you to take a personal finance class. Though that's confusing to me. You know, I don't know.
Yeah, I agree. I mean, if I think from the perspective of a university, and I'm looking at like competing resumes, if somebody took home ec or whatever, or, shop class versus personal finance or something like that, I would honestly want to go with the personal finance. But I guess it depends on your programs that you're looking at too. But
I just showered him yesterday.
I don't know, and everywhere is different. A lot of these colleges around the country are very different in how they select people. We may get a little pullback here.
I have this right here. One position here, my second position here.
Santa Monica High School taught investing in intro stock market. That's awesome. Nowhere near me. I mean, well, not nowhere near, but like in my valley schools, they don't teach a fucking ounce of any of that. They want you. They want you
I think
dumber
there's
than
some
a
of
bag
it
of
is.
rocks.
Some of it, like I know, like in my high school and a lot of the ones around me, they had like one or two classes like as electives, but they weren't required. And the problem was like with everything that was required, you really didn't have, if you played sports or had any like those type of periods taken up, you really couldn't get into those classes because of that. But they would force you to take 4 years of history and whatever. I had to read the Odyssey and all that bullshit.
I remember.
Did y'all have a lot of like concurrent like college credits in your high school or in the high schools in your area?
Like, what do you mean?
Because like when I graduated high school, I had like almost a year of college done because like half the classes, like AP level type of classes or like whatever, you could take classes and you would only pay like maybe a quarter of what normal tuition would be, and you could already knock out like a bunch of your basic hours of college while you're still in high school. It's like I went to college, like 30 hours is a normal, like when you start your sophomore year. I think I had like 28 hours going into my freshman year of college.
That's solid. I never did that.
Yeah. Which I know you did a different path or whatever.
I did.
And everyone's got their own deal, but
like a year ago,
I just didn't know if that was big out there.
What was it, like a year ago? Me and my buddy just decided, hey, like let's just like the Ventura College. It's nothing special. It's just the normal college we have in the town. But we just decided, hey, like who's gonna stop us? Who's gonna stop us if we just walk in? And we just walked in, got ourselves some backpacks, walked in, no problem. They looked at us like we were students, and we just sat in a class.
I remember like taking some of those night classes when I was younger.
Bro. You can literally just walk on fucking campus at Harvard. Why would you pay tuition when I could just walk on and fucking sit down, dude? Why would I ever pay? Are you kidding me? Or I can just go online and get all the Harvard fucking PDF files and study it myself for free. You can get it for free off their website. Go ahead. Literally anybody. It's insane.
Yeah, a lot of it's about getting that little piece of paper they call a degree, paying way too much for it, and making connections. That's sadly what a lot of it's about, instead of full potential. But man, a lot of times, like when I took some of those night classes, a lot of times like we would have people that were like in their 40s or 50s taking classes, and I always thought like how weird that was. And then now, like I look back on it, I'm like, man, it would actually be neat, like if you had a real interest to learn something, to go take just like one college course, just to like further your learning, but not have like I'm not on track to like get a degree. Like it doesn't matter. I'm just paying to go learn something. Like that's probably more appealing to me now than college ever was to me. And this is a guy that got 2 degrees for no reason.
Yeah, what's his when me and my buddy went to that college, like the teachers asked us literally, they're like, after we walked out, they're like, we haven't seen you here before. I'm like, yeah, we don't go here. We were just tuning in. They were like, oh, they didn't even care.
Just checking it out.
They're like, oh, it's fun.
No, and they usually don't.
They don't give a fuck. Shit. Somebody's coming to take some notes. They're happy
some
about
of those colleges, some of those colleges, the class size are so big, like those auditorium type of classes, like you could literally just go, like there was times where like somebody would like come to class with us and just hang out for an hour.
Yeah.
like and you could just go sit in those classes and learn shit if you wanted to.
No, but I was just curious. I'd never sat in a college class. So I was very curious. I didn't benefit any from it, but yeah, it was cool. It's cool to check it out.
I took as many online classes as I could. They give you like the whole semester to do it. You knock it out like the last week, the night before.
You better not sit or cry or let it out. I go on and on. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying. I like that 3-minute candle on daily. I mean,
An interesting look on the market right now.
Why do I keep closing SPY by accident?
CLH bounce, it did, but it's not really moving anywhere afterwards.
QQQ, if you take out like that opening area and just look at like the rest of the day, we basically just had a little double top.
Dude, BA is not stopping. Holy shit! Did we miss out on that? That's like the one name that's actually running today, going crazy.
And you know who's in it?
Look at Tesla off the gap fill.
Is Tesla running still too, or what?
No, look at the slap back on the gap fill.
Oh yeah, it did have a great move though. Props to Tesla. Got that little bit of continuation. I was not expecting that. I would have thought it stayed in the range and shot the whole day.
Wow, would you? We're going up for a reason, dummy.
Kudos.
We've been held down for a long time already. Too long. All right, look. Check out the percentages.
Just happened to my computer.
Just like that.
Oh, SPY.
Oh, my Discord just crashed. That's nice. Discord's been acting up lately, last 2-3 weeks. Especially like the voice chat. We've had a lot of issues like people trying to hear us on voice chat and they can't like on Apple devices and stuff.
That's weird.
Got it.
Got lower highs all morning on SPY. Struggling with Friday's high still and pre-market high. I'm feeling a little more bared up than I am bull right now, but we're also still holding some of the major EMAs on the 15 minutes. So
yeah, I'm like bearish to neutral. I mean,
fucking not trading SPY. That's what I'm not doing.
I'm playing around a little bit on the futures just because it moves faster.
And you're on
futures.
I don't
have any theta to deal with.
Yeah.
But even for a typical day trading futures, this is terrible action. I mean, most of the people I talk with, like over in our group, I've told them just don't waste your time, really. I mean, and especially like if you're trying to learn, if you're new, this is a terrible day to try to do much of anything.
Give you up.
Once we hit these TPs, I'm gonna have 2 of the contracts running for next week. 187.
I think Knots fell asleep over there. I don't blame
Not
him.
next week, but next
Garlic, are you
and they're gonna be in the money heavy.
I won't blame ya.
And I'm seeing that it's time that I just need throughout the contracts. It's time and time and time. Like, we're so fucking... Oh, let's fucking go. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna sell this Tesla today. Just wanting to sell a higher day into the money. Just looking for that high day, though.
I'm about to go to the kitchen, buy me some food.
Yeah, I know. I'm about to make another chicken sandwich because I'm just fucking hungry.
Ooh, chicken sandwich sounds good.
Yeah, I made me.
I think I have some milanesa.
There we go. I need to try it. Somebody told me to try it with, instead of normal mayonnaise, just like a little bit of that spicy
So
mayonnaise.
I have...
Oh, yeah.
Always good.
So right now... Okay. Looking pretty good. We're looking pretty good, chat.
I'm about to run dry. Every time I go home,
I think I'm done for the day.
I'll buy like yum sauce, Chick-fil-A sauce, some of the Taco Bell like Diablo and fire sauce, and I'll come home like whatever from back home to back down here, and I'll have like 10 salsa things like sauces. ready to go. Like I can find some stuff down here, but like some of my favorites, you can't you just don't find it in stores down here. So like buy it and
I
bring it
don't
back
think
with
that I've
me.
had better salsa than the Taco Bell fucking fire Diablo sauce and all that.
Dude,
It's the
Diablo
best.
is my shit.
It's
I
the
put that
best.
on everything.
I
I
mean,
literally will put that on anything.
dude, I haven't eaten Taco Bell in literally probably over a year, if not more. But I kind of want to just so I can go stock up on some sauce and get a Crunchwrap Supreme.
Oh man, you're hurting my soul right now because we don't have
I
those.
fucking hate Taco Bell though because I just feel like absolute horror. I just feel terrible the whole day.
That one's my guilty pleasure of all the chain. That's my guilty pleasure, and and they're like in my hometown anyway. It's like one of the only places open like late.
Yeah.
So like, dude, I would used to just crush it like midnight. I'd go drop $20 at Taco Bell and just crush it.
I might have to do some later tonight. I've been on a fucking streak though of not eating it. I don't know how it's. I almost don't want to break the streak.
You're watching a diet, it's tough. It is. That's a
if
rough
anything,
one on
I
the old
need the
diet.
extra Doritos Loco Taco and a Crunchwrap Supreme. I'm not worried. My diet consists of the more calories. Yeah.
That and that like double steak burrito, the cheesy one. Oh my god, I'm starving.
Everybody in the audience right now is just salivating.
Yeah, or judging the fuck out of me for loving Taco Bell.
Hold this shit right now, buddy. Hold this shit. We gotta count no close above that line. Support. Slide to the left. Crisscross. Slide to the right. Crisscross. You gotta do real smooth. Alright, you know I'm gonna stop streaming, boys. I hope you have a good day. I'ma just start at 12. I'm not gonna really be here. I'm gonna be going in and out of my room, so I'm not gonna be reading on the computer. But I'm not gonna trade no more. I got nothing to open. We had this little scalp right here. Just liquidity trying to sell out. After liquidity. But
So yeah, you look around the market, nothing is happening.
I like this. BA should be continuing to push back up. We have space to go up. We got space.
Nvidia still rejecting that same area, 870 to 875 as earlier.
Nice.
Microsoft space has been sideways, holding above 400, just sideways. Meta and Google look rough. Google looks like it wants new lows. I don't even know what the fuck you call Amazon, whatever that's doing. Just pre-earnings volatility. AMD straight sideways since it recovered. I don't know. You hold a gun to my head, I'd say we're going to come test the bottom of the range again.
Mm-hmm.
Luckily, I don't have a gun to my head, so I don't have to actually trade it. I like this comment from earlier, Jordy.
What's
when
that?
We were talking about the personal finance and colleges not liking it, and they said, Penny Rocket, he said, because people who take personal finance are more hesitant to take a $200,000 student loan for some useless major. Ooh.
Facts.
Ooh, facts.
So true.
Oh, it's spitting heat right there. I like that one.
Yeah,
It's
so true. Dude, you'd be baffled too. Like I've seen some of these videos, the amount of just poor brainwashed kids that are so certain they have to get a degree to learn anything. I'm like, bro, dude, oh my gosh, you don't. Like I understand it'll give you some connections for sure, and it will make it probably easier. Like if you're trying to be an architect, yeah, you'll instantly get paid more if you have a college degree. I understand. But like for more of these entrepreneurial jobs and like careers, dude, these kids are just so convinced that they have to fucking go in debt and go learn from some dumb fuck that's never done it himself I just feel so bad, dude. I'm like, gosh, you guys put in the work yourself. You go do it for real. You'll be so much more well compensated for yourself. And you're just getting robbed. I feel, oh, it's horrible. It's so horrible.
Yeah, there's a lot
Such
of
a
use
fucking
cases.
scam.
So like, I mean, the system is set up terribly, obviously, but I don't want to discourage people from going to get a degree. I mean, the college
No, because it does depend
experience
on
and
what
what
you
you can
do
learn.
too.
So
Yeah.
so the first side of it is the life experience you get out of going to college, and the amount of knowledge that you can actually learn, just going through any type of major is really good and valuable stuff. So I don't want to discredit that.
No.
But you need to put together a good plan. You need to know what kind of degree and path you're going to take. If you're not sure what you're going to do, I would probably, maybe hold off on it unless you have some type of scholarship situation. Make sure you know what you want to do. Otherwise, you'll waste, 2-3 years taking gen eds because you don't know what you really want to do with your life, or you'll end up with a degree that you never use. But at the same time, there's definitely use cases, and obviously, if you have dreams of being an architect, an engineer, a nurse, things like that, absolutely, obviously that's the path to go in a lot of those career fields too. So I mean, I don't want people to think we're just shitting on people that go to college.
No, I'm not. I'm not
I
at
went,
all.
and I think it's great, but if you're not sure and you're just following, because a lot of people fall into that category you mentioned, and I've seen it happen a lot of times too, where go to college, put yourself in debt to get a degree. You have no idea what you want to do. You're just getting some random, some generic major, with some degree that really doesn't hold a whole lot of weight. That doesn't mean as much as it used to. So, definitely do your research, do your due diligence on college as much as anything.
Yeah.
Look for the right opportunities. Trade school is slept on these days. There's so many like good trades out there that pay really, really good money. Welding, plumbing, electrician, that kind of stuff. I mean, there's a lot of people that take like, more of like computer science type of stuff just to get certifications instead, and end up making really good money without going through a full, 4 or 5 year program. So
exactly,
there's so many opportunities out there. If you're young and you're looking at college, I'm not telling you not to go, because I honestly, just the amount of life experience that I learned going to college, as well as general info classes, because some professors, it's like, but there's some very, very, very smart professors that, like, you have to think, a lot of like people that just like do research projects and stuff for a living, a lot of them are college professors too, right? So that's something to remember as well.
There are a lot of connections to be made.
That as well,
with
that's
some
another
smart people for sure. But at the end of the day, I hear the argument of, well, like, how am I gonna make connections then? I'm like, bro, connections are not only made in school. At the end of the day, too, you know what I mean. At the same time, on the flip side of that, it's like, again, I'll make better connections, I guarantee you, taking the 200 grand or 150 grand that I'm gonna spend on school and going and starting a business. I guarantee you, I'm gonna make just as good connections, if not more better ones, in the line of business that I'm working in, or whatever I'm trying to do. Even if that business completely fails, it probably will. Let it fail. Guess what? You'll still learn more, in my opinion. I'm gonna learn more hands-on, just like I learned more Spanish when I actually went and worked in a restaurant full of Hispanics that taught me Spanish, versus sitting there studying fucking a test with Miss Cornell that told me I wouldn't be shit in life. Fuck you, bitch. Fuck you. Look at me now, motherfucker.
Look at me now.
Fuck that, bitch. Oh my god. Fucking, I'll pull up in the Lambo one day. Hey, Miss Cornell, remember me?
Remember me?
Yeah, I just made your salary this morning. No, I could never do that.
Say it to her. Say it to her in Spanish.
Yeah. That would be gold. Now that would be gold. Everybody in my DMs is like, "Fuck Miss Cornell, dude. She's." I love you guys.
Miss Cornell doesn't even sound like a good Spanish teacher.
Nah, bro. She just sounds angry, doesn't she? Dude, we'd all walk in and she'd just look at us with this disgusting face. I'm like, we didn't even do anything yet. Like, come on. You just got that negativity all up. Come on.
I will have to say there was a massive difference in like high school Spanish classes versus college Spanish classes where
I'm sure things got
light years
very
different.
gnarlier, yeah.
Well, yeah, and you started. I mean, I got a full degree in Spanish, my second degree.
That's actually awesome. That is awesome.
But once you get to like, even if you're like doing a minor in Spanish, which I think is super, super useful in any type of business case these days, if you're paying attention to the climate of the United States in general.
Oh yeah, you want to be a doctor, you better speak
so
Spanish
many doors
too.
that are open with Spanish.
There are.
But on top of that, like once you get past like just like the intro level of Spanish, if you get, you have someone that's actually a native speaker teaching you, it's so much different because you start to develop a better ear for it. Because like when I first started, I could even try to form my own thoughts and sentences, and I could write it and I could read it really well. I could not like listen and hear anyone like you talk Spanish to me back then, even though I could communicate and if you wrote it down, I could understand it almost perfectly.
That's how
I could not hear it for anything. I had no ear for that sound, and that took longer to develop.
That's definitely like more where I'm at. Like I could read Spanish all day, and I'll like understand a decent amount of it. But the second you start spitting at me all quick with the accent, I get a little scared, dude. I'm like,
it's because you don't realize this when you're listening, and like when you're listening to someone speak English, like right now, you're not hearing every single syllable that they're saying. You have sound patterns that your brain recognizes. Yeah, because you're so used to it. You're picking up sound patterns, and your brain just is putting them together in rapid fashion. And so like most people, you get into Spanish, you're trying to hear every syllable so you can understand it, and it's impossible to like break it down that way. So it takes a long time to kind of develop that muscle a little bit. But I tell most people, like, if you ever want to be fluent in a language, you have to practice. You have to put yourself in it. And then if you really want to know if you're like getting to the fluent level or not, it's when you stop translating it in your head. So like someone tells you something in Spanish, you don't translate. Like if somebody says,
just know it.
Yeah, like if someone says a word in Spanish, whatever word it is, instead of translating it in your head to the English word and understanding it, you just see it like in your head, like that.
God, I wish I was brought up bilingual. Oh, how sick would that be? Just brought up bilingual.
Oh, bro,
so fucking cool, bro.
My 3-year-old is a G already.
Oh, I'm sure.
Oh, he is so good. 3 years old, and he already understands both. He's starting to speak both really well, and he's grabbing the situational awareness too of who to speak which one to. Like with my parents, he goes into English, and with his grandmother, my mother-in-law, he's like switches straight to Spanish.
Oh, what a little G, dude! He just knows.
It's crazy. Well, your brain is such a sponge at that age.
It just soaks up whatever is around you.
It's amazing. It's amazing. You can learn. I mean, average kid can learn like 3 to 4 languages by the time they're 5 and dominate them.
It's insane. If people are like, "Why are these guys sitting here not talking about the market?" Take a look at the market.
Is doing nothing.
Go ahead, take a look.
We're just chilling.
Unless you're on BA, you're pretty much chilling. Maybe some Oxy, maybe some Tesla.
Yeah, maybe if you shorted the gap on Tesla on the daily.
I'll see you later.
Google's just been a slow fade. I mean, nothing's really even like, in my opinion, made a great setup intraday. I mean, look, Nvidia's popping right now.
Even if there is a good setup, there's like no volume across the board. So
yeah, what kind of follow through are you getting?
Dude,
I mean,
there's so many
if you're
may God be with everybody,
I mean, if you're like a mega scalper, you may be able to get some stuff. But Theta, man, Theta is gonna kill options today. I mean, even on futures, like I was saying a while ago, even on futures, it's
brutal to sit through.
Rough action to try to trade. Because you're right in the chop zone. We call these chop zones, right? When you're hugging moving averages that are all hugging basically each other, when you're between moving averages and VWAP, when you're right in the middle of a range, everything's flat. Like you can put on some higher numbered moving averages right now. Like you put on like an EMA like 200 or like even like a 50. If you put like a 50, 65 somewhere in there, and a 21, a 9, whatever, they're all sitting on top of each other.
Yeah.
That's what we call a trap zone, or place to a chop zone, trap zone, whatever you're going to call it. This is easy spot to get chopped up. You want to enter positions at extremes, especially on days like today. Top of the range or bottom of the range, try to take it the other direction. I've been short since the open, and what I've done is I've trimmed out, kept one runner. As we came back up, I added one back in, took it back out, added another one back in higher, took it back out when we got the rejection.
Yep.
I mean, just trading around a core, which I can do on futures all day. I can sit in this trade from open to close, and I don't lose any intrinsic value.
Exactly.
As far as like theta and IV goes. So
take a look at that post up top. I think you'll appreciate that.
All right, let me take a look on it.
Sometimes the boys need a fourth, you know.
Okay. Bro got drafted, bro.
That was funny.
Let's see. I'm comfy in bed with the boys.
Hey, if I got drafted
Rick
to the
from
NFL,
The Walking Dead,
like I don't care, bro. I'll rep that team.
Shit. Must get on Warzone.
What am I saying, bro? What am I saying? You shut up, bro. I don't know.
Must get to the course.
Must get to the course. Must hop on the game. Whatever it is, the boys need a fourth. We're on.
I feel like that could apply to so many things. I need a fourth.
I know. I thought about golf instantly, but now it's probably for video games.
But video games or golf, makes sense too, just because we've been on the golf theme lately. But
I know.
My first thought was looking at that Warzone or Call of Duty, whatever. When you usually have those squads of 4, right? Or what was the other PUBG that everyone played there for a little while?
Yeah, PUBG was a good one. Until Fortnite came out, then everybody's like, fuck PUBG. We're on Fortnite.
I actually liked PUBG a lot. Fortnite, I never liked the, I guess you'd call them like cartoony type of games.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Which I know like none of the games are super realistic or whatever when it comes to like
no, but PUBG is like the
games.
most kind of realistic
but
looking.
PUBG was about as close as you could get to
yeah,
somewhat realistic.
Frank's
realistic
back.
for that, but anyway.
Oh, my stomach's starting to hurt, chat. Come on, push us up.
What?
I keep saying I'm going to go get food out of my kitchen, and I keep sitting here just talking because I keep watching this thing like it's actually going to move, and it's
Oh, I think you're safe to go get some food, brother.